Ghana, one love pour nos mamans Africa. Kumasi en Seigrum Chalet, j'y vais depuis que je suis môme, c'est Waté. Oh, un yum net et Abba, et c'est même pas du Azonto, c'est ça. Mon passeport est français, mais je sais d'où je viens. Je suis fier de mon pays, fier de mon Ghana, fier de mon ethnie, fier d'être Ashanti, fier de mes sœurs, fier de mes frères. On avance tous ensemble, Charlie One Love, prêt pour la victoire, Charlie Black Star. On Ghana toujours le sourire, on vit comme.
Abotchie for yakwaso Adamase Budaso etie Sompa 106.5 FM in Accra, Sompa TV, and again on all our affiliates one more so etie FIH program in there. Tibebia Obiano still we are back in studio over here. Abatono Ashasia Ashasia Nanope na Sabridi Woma to Abadawi. Woma to we results ni bia start beba na results na bano ebi muyem wim ebi muso esresre. But one key thing I me hu ewo abatowe mu ne say surprises bebre ewum. Key person was surprising the papa Dr. Brian Achampon. What was saying, what would you does it come as a surprise to you? Dr. Brian Achampon, the performance are all performing. Let's see what happens at the end of the day. It's early days yet, but muma yina yen nensi abotre. At the end of the day, no, say omoye final declaration na eho enebehu obia modern ebo. Ya from me Kobla Abotchie ke Prof. Mene Apam Dadaa ene abrante bia on de chedie wo fa ne kwa. Menim say che na kra dozen e woni fie wa. Watana se opesere pa. Abrante opesere that is.
Yeah, I don't know your prof.
Bibia Bohode.
Yeah, I don't. Now is it?
God is good. God is
fantastic.
Obrempong na no.
Thank you.
Obrempong na no. On the also since humans and waham. Anameboa.
Oh, no, definitely.
To a bema what?
Bema dear.
Good. About that say.
Mura, Yamia how your mobile.
Yamia who your mobile. Yeah, the Yamia sepa.
Yeah.
Eddie can ya beda mo one more trance if you are no pa ebe pim sabre.
No correct.
One more ayade ye pa.
Oh.
But the jubaro and na form.
Debut.
And na form. And you know, program we we are looking at yababo modenga kom yamia bebre. Baby our resource no enyamba ye no.
Yeah.
Yabaji feed ni nyina afri ho. Na said the abato no call ye no. Na tiefo ni ahwefo ni nyina no na ye de abremo. But quickly, my member Obrempong chain. So far, results are baby. Then the catcher.
Well, Prof. Medase, na yenchia Sompa FM, ne Sompa TV.
Yeah.
I have phone at your phone. In fact, worldwide, yent even nationwide, because I say worldwide. Internet, ne sunyina no amount for sharing our whole life. Pantia da masepa.
Sure.
Prof. Enra no pa. Once you didn't come obi waha.
Yeah.
Na me catch you say there will be lots of surprises.
Yeah.
There were some areas.
You did.
And in fact, because I predicted say there will be lots of surprises, now I'm not surprised of the surprises.
You are not surprised of the surprises. Okay, that's fine.
Because I foresaw say Nema bi beba. And the surprises that I was seeing was coming from the camp of Brian Achampon. And then I gave you some instances.
Sure.
Into looking at Oko Ahafwano in fact, Ade Koko Kosi Samfini na surprises are bano at a point Brian Achampon was even leading everybody. There are some constituencies that Brian Achampon won the area. You could see say no crack the message sank as a sinky to the people. And baby a honor me surprised, but not all that surprise entirely. How Kennedy Japan. The votes are being depreciated. And you could see say Brian Achampon is picking more from the camp of Kennedy Japan. Now a fakakra from Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, because Omumi Enuna the previous election na omujinam compared to Dr. Educhumne engineer almost 2023 na nka ho. Until you could easily say Brian Achampong is speaking from these two.
All right. Ofabifi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Exactly.
No Ofabi so far.
But from more from Canada, Japan.
Okay, so line so mena menko Ahmado so na mendi nkomom brasese a. Yenye ura eye bawa ewo Ahmado so. Bawa is it Baidu eh? Yes. Ashanti region na yene no edi nkomo. Baidu na ite saying. Hello Baidu.
Sompa FM.
Prof, meto kapa.
Me ba cho da one pop to say. Good. Now, Sabre, I hear from Ujina.
Paper, no Casadia, personal, dear Equaman, which in person, do firm, constraints based in Numan and Sakano, Slam person, a chief wing in our firm. Sicilia no Cate, offensive, total vote cast no A 619, rejected A 3. Eura Canada, Japan, in 110. Brian Echampo in 78. Dr. Oseya Oduchum in 1. Oheneyere Japan so in 1. Uraba Omiya 426. Uraba Omiya 426. Asawasi constituency. Ura Kennedy Japan in 150. Brian Echampo in 160.
Brian, the other says to you.
Brian, Enya 160.
Right.
160. And Ura Kennedy, Enya 150. Where you are Asawasi constituency. Dr. Bawumia, Enya 662. 662. Dr. Oseya Oduchum, Enya 1. Oheneyere Japan, Enya 5. Medewo Elko offensive south. Offensive south delegates no 931. Omuye na 845 na abeto aba. Owura Canadian Japan enya 169. Brian Echampo enya 193. Owura Bawumia enya 482. Owura Educhum enya 6. Ena Oheneyere Japan enya 1. Yanko Bosomche. Bosomche, Owura Educhum enya 502. Owura Bawumia enya 230. Owura Brian enya 96. Canadian Japan enya 142. Oheneyere Japan 0. Achimampo nya de nekura mi. Total vote cast 1,037. Owura Kennedy Japan enya 274. Brian Echampo enya 79. Owura Bawumia enya 671. Educhum enya 1. Oheneyere Japan enya 5. Spur ballot enya 1. Nifo tufa enko bekwaye. Owura Kennedy enya 175. Brian Echampo enya 106. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia enya 634. Dr. Oseya Educhum enya 5. Engineer Oheneyere Japan enya 1. Rejected 1.
All right.
Memfa unko adansi asupa constituency. Kennedy Oheneyere Japan enya 114. Owura Brian Echampo enya 70. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia enya 306. Dr. Oseya Educhum enya 2. Engineer Oheneyere Japan enya 2. Yenya rejected. Total vote cast 494. Total delegates no 523. After the found for Jatia support constituency. Owura Kennedy Japan enya 26. Brian Echampo enya 114. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia enya 456 Owura Abuchum enya 2 Engineer Kwabena Japan enya he yani da su dia kire da so ko we better for me e beba da su ma tiefo
mini abedu amame na se na bebia wo report free eba ha nyina no mood no etesan wo ho
maka se so ba sentiment am ha dia baby a pulling center hon de nya bowi a omo eje powder e de omo so omo di ehuro ni de ye ehuro mo pa nanso ni nyina mu ni ya baka se nti ase wo ba nya se ehuro a e de ntokwa e de basaba de eba baby a mi free a mi bai atuma wa de ja no fo se yi o sha obi a odi nkunyi no our campaign ma owura ba obi a di kan wo no omo to de ku no suye no Stefania omo aka no omo tidifo na akoye huru lenso ni nyina mu no bata ba e bi ansi e na obi a free pulling center wa obi a ekofia so ye tu ba santimante wa dia bibia ye kama mfama no so de ebodi.
All right, mame na se pass odi amane ebebo yen na minim se kosoa na di ekire dia on sabeka no na wabansa aka ewo ha ewo Sompa 106.5 FM in Accra. Ya mame asida na me de beba. Na menu mame mbisa wo what tie eye bedu.
Yeah.
Amane o de boy yen every Ashanti region no results or the buy.
Yes.
Are you surprised by the results?
Not entirely. Especially with results of the free Bosonchi by.
Yeah, Bosomtri.
Bosonchi Educhum, the constituency.
The constituency.
Getting 502.
Yeah.
Now Kennedy getting 142. Brian getting 96. Now Dr. Baumia getting 230. I'm not surprised.
You're not surprised. I didn't
At all.
Because the whole free.
The home advantage place.
Okay.
As an Ranaya can home advantage.
Sure.
Anya she minim say Educhum, for Ashanti region, ye bury na Educhum Ashanti region crowd would not come close.
Good.
Right? But for Bosonchi itself, dear, Sabe, I do with ye. Omunim say hot dear, I do with ye. Even if onya the entire vote and obia nya 0 krana, I still wouldn't be surprised.
Apam Dadaa na yen share a year offensive south. Ken enya 169, Brian 193.
Yeah.
And a dog enya 482. Does it come to you as a surprise? A Brian etimi BT. A Ken offensive south ana.
Offensive South.
Offensive south.
Say Brian BT Ken. Enya nwanwa.
Adendra.
Because say ohwa ohun say Alhaji ne nya kese pa wo ho. Ho de ye beka say ne t-shirt wo ba bia Alhaji Baumia. Nti enya nwanwa say ne vote no kosoro. Wono wakono wakosa. Wakoba akon wakomienu de toso mi ensani. Nti ye beka say wono no de kosoro. Na emom owura bran champon. De ema ofen so. Otimi bowura mu ntentem pa sa no. Why? Womo ne womo bo hye kakra.
Why mo na ebohye?
Ba bia onu firi no. Eba kasemu. Eba se yenye womo hu ni a. Wo fen so eba kwawu ho no. Womo ne womo hu no. Wo te kasa bi.
Mind you.
Brian
in Chikakra every offense.
When you get a note that now
every offense out.
Nti womo te ne kasa. Ewo offense ene na afa. Eno achi kane no ne Alhaji Baumia ne nam ho. Bra na wo mo pe ba ko no. Oni Alhaji ne koyi sabre no ye campaign ma no. No odi na chi. Nti sa advantage no wo mpotem ho. Abre a wo twen ne ho kire se wo no nso pe bi no. Enam se wako ho akokasa kire wo mpen ama wo ma je ne kasa adi. Aye de wo kan ye ne nti no. Ene ho no odi nya ne kota. Ewo ho ehunu se ampa wo mo ne no a na owura kene Japan ne de na esote ye no ekọ Brian ho eno nti na hu se kan ne de na depreciate no first ne na Brian ka ho na nano a ye call Peace Park no so no
yeah
sauti nkomo bi se ebi san obi anim ɛna obi sɛ wa mantan baako a anka sɛdeɛ na ebi bu afu paa no ahwɛ ade ebesi hɔ nyɛ enti kwan bi so ne yehu ne sɛ o ye unifier
Dr. Brian Achampon.
No correct.
Sasam no kan ye.
Sasam no kan ye no.
O obi a otimi kan nipa bom.
Because say utie echitaafo no a. Ase wo yi twa aha. Say wo hwe kan ye echitaafo a. Ye kasa edi kotwa ba omia diem. Ɛna ba omia de nso kasa na wo mu di twa Brian diem na ye gya wono ma ka echire ne de wo ho. Na owura Brian so de ne de no. Ɛna mo ho e fa ha kakra. No fa ha kakra. Na still oni miru na aka echire no nso oche nti enye nwanwa se ne de ne ebi kan ho san se wo soso obi ade hu bi na emom ya wotwa show down mine wotwa ne kese pa sense de wotwa alaji
Apam me na se na me ma Oheneyere akwaba Oheneyere na say
Onyankopon te me ho ye
bra ye de nyame ase na me nim se abato yi enso aso a eba nyina no wani de echire Asantimantemu I say, Dr. Brian Achampon, ye wonders wo ho. Because the figures wo nya, baby cry wo ho a, idea Kennedy Japan. Chese obiti no. And now we are asking, the third force and I can ho asem no. Do you see say Brian, the modern boy wo bono. Da chi bi no, obetimi nyina ginaye eba na abatrom ye po bi amanedi amanyoko no enimu ana.
Yeah, prof, sa pepe and aya na yaka se ahwenepa we na nkasa. Ahwenepa enkasa. Abribia ya na meka se ubeye bibia ana se ya mpanyimfo ka se bia so sa wo na wo yire beda eya na wo utirim. Na ekwan ya na amanyofo ni bi no wo mu yi wo mu anim wo niema na nsem pii ho no eno na ye to da bia na no ankasa ne nkofo bia fasa wonsem na efiri wonu mu to ne no na ekene bi no wonu ankasa de etwa wo mu wo hwe Rabran Champon a meka se yibesie sika mpedede sane na nkofo esi ye wonom niema wo monten so no wonu wo ye ne de wo kokoam etin me enya me nwanwa se right now na say abato na hyase no na say Dr. Baumia na Yera Kennedy akompre kwa Japan na ye ti wonu mu din but anya me wan say ye kwa ani mo no Yera Brian Champon wono so ba ya wo hwe baabi kurampo no a bosomje for instance I wasn't expecting senka doctor ya say do twem de onya ye bi anko benya sa because ho ye won pesua so enti anya hwe kura no senka wa anya bia na se wa anya hwe kura no betimi atwe mu ama ebia omo di wachi bia ba ko mienu no kura no bia be 50 ana se 30 mu na wase omo sesa but hwe numbers ya ye raba omia na ye raba so akwa sesa no ho enti me de anya me nwanwa and I believe say when in the first time ya wo yi nanim onte se ebinumu a wonu akote se ye raba Kennedy akompre kwa Japan na ye raba ba omia no eno ntine me wo gidie se funny say ya kwan we say ya so na wasa pema kwa nanimu because nipa wo nyini ko animu a o hwe development
na sa o kana sa Ken wabra wo si akan 2023 no ayade a obo no homodin pa
obo ne homodin but say wo hwe figures na a free some of the polling centers ne ba no a Yera Brian enkwa wie ye de afa ne ya hya ase but otimi wo say Yera Brian numbers na wo kukuru ba no emu odu and I'm saying say funny say ya kwa e was MPP for one more one person omo ni si akan da chi bi no omo gina ye omo pedade e butu hye because o hye se ne a wote na asemba kwa na wo bo ne nto ano na wo ka na me yabo asia ma me ne nya kakran se matimi akoba bia ada contestants no wonum timi nkoba be machini anya wo chini Ghana ha se enum nyina na be ye ebe mo ware ni aba anase bia ebe mo wanya numbers dodo a ebia obenya no wa abato mu na mo to na bi kurampo no a obi nkofo e wo mentifido wobi de e wo asante mantem bia make so no so ankasa no wo flaumantem anase voter region but because yes syndicated line a one ma creating inteno etimi ma na we ni aba eti se wo ma yo ma dwen se ombe ko wo manim edigina ye bia na se edidi bia kese bi se mampanyina adwa no na oni obi kwa akansi a yenyi etiri mo ponyina nkyere no eti wo ma na mo na no mu e fa so no eno na bi nso so befa so be hu se no why because won say wo de no waka mamanfo ate ni say na opesa wo different na fe no so afa ho no so e de ebo ne plans enti no me gidi yes here brand numbers na wo kokoro me nya me nwanwa because oye ne niema e wo sumase obi a wo kro ne nsem na say ni secret no wo ma ne todwa bebrebe no pepi na ya no de nkunimdie etwa surprise ma amanfo enti no me gidi yes wa say address na wo mpeso mo ne si akan dachi bi no wo mo prepare mo fully yes dachi bi no ahwe ya kwan yo do mbefa so na enye papa
all right eje ye be kwa amano so na yes akokodi nkomo e wo ho ba ma me fan to just out of the 277 polling stations wo mo to abado sabri yesu yetimi akeka bomu a ye nya 63 na 63 no say ye hwe emana aya Kennedy ekura 12,946 so na Dr. Baumia ekura 27,166 representing 56.1%. na ye hwe Dr. Bernard Champona okura 7,516 representing 15.41%. na ye hwe Dr. Educhuma okura 807 representing 168%. so na Kwabena Ejapon engineer ekura ebano bako 93 representing 0.19%. ye kwa amano so na yani Berima Kenten Berima Tenten Kwame Techi Ablekuma West na yene na di nkomo Berima bako ababa Sompa 106.5 FM ene Sompa TV yo pacho fa Ablekuma West amane boy yenge
mo nyanya do Kenya ba so fam ye ni na abayiye some Trump one out things so I delegate they didn't have a year. So the PM war Ablekuma West Kenya results no etimi ekoye yi e san say polling station na ye mienu ni kino medical the polling station ba kwa tuga na the polling station ba kwa tuga ye di na etimi e di abo polling station 1 Kennedy akonto akwa Japan enya 221 Brian a tampon enya 50
all right
Muhammad Baumia the film say data enya 181 here we are say up enya 1 single one
all right
Abna a day at Japan enya 0 way polling station 1 polling station 2 Kennedy a contract point Japan enya 217 Brian a tampon enya 59 Dr. Muhammad Baumia enya 304 Osai Aduki enya 0 Kwabena Ejen Ejapon enya 0 rejected I about first police station here 9 and a second police station here 6
me pacho second police station
enya 438 Grind a tampon enya 109 Muhammad Baumia enya 485 Osai Adutu enya 1 Kwabena Ejapon enya 0 Mimi I rejected the verb na ye 15 and she had been for my total valid vote cast na ye 1,049 Apam Dadaa and Afiso Aduanan from nti je see e wo Ablekuma West and na me dey up e ka say abisemi na omo wa ba o me ka I can say we dun koni o me de ye and I think so say that e dey tie Ablekuma West o dey next one any day ababa.
Sir, and then Usha Ablekuma West, I mean, so we near the Chiri pa. Na ye bisa say, Abatono, Obia Betuna ba, ewa sumdwe kwan so ana.
Mo Dania assassin with the cancer, no. Now, Bambo is me ignorant, you know. But the Arabia am not more kind of and now, almost a ballot paper barco, in about me at the Amazon Kennedy. But we now come to one. What we do when not a top Kennedy, what we did the time. On my own, 1-7.
Beba chono ho me interest nyabotema me ho no me interest wo ho kakra na den na ballot paper bako etimi yiraye
Kennedy ni agent na oyin kind of person na wa ha actually set bako say one of the many na boma ene total value vote tax no e kia tani a kind of person boy no bo e jaji dia so ko no na can be out the car.
And you know, Ken agent and a ye sa ballot paper nana.
Can agent and a ye the kind of the ballot to say ballot paper. Can you almost open and this total value vote now cannot officer no air can and then is never come but a ballot paper bako. And to make a omu judge omu yes na say na e can na baba lot pan omu otoma na o de car maybe e ma police station 2 no onya 217 na e car 10.
And you know untimi report NCC dua say sa ballot paper na yiraye no ekodi eye e ho anasa bi ho
e no dia yes ya na mo na tino na e can and na ballot paper na etuman
mami na say odi edin komo na menim say odi weni die eye die eko ewo Ghana eko Ghana ha ntin menim say ye bebo modin aba onchen aba beje emoye eti ye kwa ahoma no so bio na ye ne ofufro edi enkomo na na oponchecheku ewa ahoma no so Holy Fire Constituency Center. Abotchie could I say?
Abotchie, I don't mean to say, we are the Egyptians over here.
God is good, yeah, who part. That's how he found out.
That radio, Nijina, a year, Ablikuma, Abaton, Peswat, a war, a year,
okay, Ablikuma South.
Abotchie, but
I told it's you.
Piao. E wa batu onu ya kenwie be media senie na ye hwe ni se ka e ho mu e na so far ye bu constituency chairman no anopa no nti na ye no tanka nye dia ndie anka result no aye no anka ye be se etitafo anase wo mu gina ho anamutifo no e de ma eye any of the 5 candidates ni be tie bi protest. So, about your making Kenny in a provisional results, I have a tom on Tinson. How much just and we say, and I appear. You are Abna Ejapon. When you are me and son, pray. Doctor, or say, a duty. When you are watching 8. Doctor, Brian, a champion. When you are 114 or how any a year a 114 Kennedy a compare by the pound and 262 I have you know any a year a Abotchie you know Dr. Muhammad Baunia when you are 538 Ahanum any ediasa watching any a provisional result a PA3 mu a applicable farm. Nipa dodo ananka ye hwe nim kwanto ba beto aba 1019 apem baako ene eye du enkono womu a omuchi omupia omuba beti kimu eto aba no eye 926 ahankono ene eye aduonu insia ne woto efe no propocastem rejected eye 1 eno ene provisional result a epie efrim aba ewo eye applicuma south abato empeso eto ape mish eye nyaye binsu a eno so abeto me propo agenta constituency hono yura kwabena eje Japan onyahye akokoti 0 yura edutum enya enkono 9 Dr. Brian Echampon onya 106 oha any inya Kennedy akwampe kwe Japan onya 511 ahanum any eye du baako Dr. Muhammad Baumie onya 778 ahanso any eduosman mochi we eye adenta ni madina de ben etimi pa ho e wo kidie ni yewra kwabena e Japan onya baako akokoti ena eyimba educhum enya miensa ekon enu espan Dr. Brian Echampon onya 158 oha any eye eduonu mochi yewra Kennedy akompe kwen Japan onya 491 ahanai any eduokun baako Dr. Muhammad Baumia onya 758 ahanso any eduonu mochi madina de no na kole klote enso ni etie Dr. Educhum onya miensa ekon enu eta yewa kwabena eje Japan onya mienu 1 + 1 2 Kennedy accomplish kwe Japan onya 252 aha yenu eni eye eduonu yenu Echampon also enya 155 oha any eduonu Dr. Muhammad Baumia onya 703 ahanso any echifo yensa eno enso any result we a provisional result a free collect abato impetwa so adenta abato impetwa so makina abato impetwa so ena afensu ablokuma south abato impetwa so na ye chamfoni kakra ewo nia ekoso ewo Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Baumia ni campaign office
right
no pattern ni we nika enije wo hopa naso Abotchie senye tukuwa uti yemu biko yenzi abani yabubonte ya yesi weni ayo provisional results
sure
enti certify na kata no ebeti abato afiyeye electoral commission ko mo ho anye be PSC mu beba Abotchie odi yeko school ti ndo mani isi kwa eno no ekọ electoral commission o ma tuna ye na afeito o ma ba eye NPP atuna kefia eko eye asalam down eko ena omo ba betika nyowenyo ewo Ghana 276 constituencies ni nyina ko a omo national office eka ho ebie omo ba be declaration no ewo eye asalam down eniti eho ena tete ya mi tete yi ncheti a mi chauche mu na mako akwakobo metete ewo ho
Abotchie kuma na se ba ansa na me jawa mo akoro na o ka se ablekuma south chairman bi o ho ye bo no
ya bono
na denti na ebo no
Abotchie me da say what say electoral commission emre mu ene na sise mu no say ye tu aba enu kwan say candidate dia eti upo Emma na ho kwan emma na kitafo bi ekọ bia ye bi say omo kwan ko ye campaign na say bia ye kwakọ no ekọ ma chichama ye nkofo na ya sign si Abotchie camp enye mo chiche mo chikosua obekọ kwesi buati ọdún so ne camp ẹni ọmọ so no ọmọ chi afasie anase bi akakuro wenu akwakọ ye internal election but constituency chairman no ye be no honorable Collins Asante wono na wo chi temoche Sompa kasia no kwane sese wono no kra de onka bi nche mu eno a enam adwuma so ai wote ba so emege nkino woni ayo pontin pedipo a ehye constituency anase district wo ekoti gina ye ote kwan obetia pato a omo behye na omo aputo niema wo bambo ntemu etinya pema koso ebanse that particular constituency na kata constituency bia apini dom bia sabe akokoti eni akoko nan ebegina no anya bia ubehu takra se etitu ne ho ede egu hodomo eye ebe anamabu enti no ewo so mo hye betina pato a bambo ebetia ma no ho ne so enti omo ena omo plan to omo hye fa nyeme nyina enti omo sa no pefra dia no pa no nso no omo ti ta se ne pepepe ma tiwe na kwa na eye mranke ni bia womo eba ye se omo ba betu omo aba ehye mu kakampo kura ye ne trese womo ye NDC ko ena omo ba MP ka ko ana omo tie ti mu ko NDC enti na yo mo se omo dinu eda so ewo eye register mu na so empese to ma de mu ti mu sai bi ana ko ye kokote na so Chairman Collins Asante eti bi atrese o omo ye NDC ko na omo ye party oma yo enu ti ni enam to a edi eye nkakeka no eba ye no ene se empa na ko ye no mu di eni le mu omo susu se constituency chairman Eniwa Collins Asante ono no pa na enam to ema omo ntinya nya akonya omo akwa koto omo ojo John Musa obi se obi eji kitiro ewe na bechi pan teteni esebe of the moon ekeka ndugbo mu odie mu ba konso ema no hono so one eteni esebe ni so fa Abotchie na pe o se demo ti to pa blog ni to pa na bo nchen ko tata ndi kakwa na chama te ko na gimi enti ebe politics nje o man wo ye ha eko politics won ko bo amanye enam tu ko kra no abatuo no ekenken na kakra na omu ni te betme ni si transport people ewo apana oboba betu na so ebi tu da chem te eyi so a ma be yedu activate me by ama abatuo no omu tan eto akoye enti police commander popular no ma eyi anka ta se o Baby Abotchie again wo bia ya atemisi ye eni kolebu abaya repabian enye kwandia eni si anka wonye nkratwa na onko nye hwehwe tebia iti na sabe epem ho no no ehu aka anasa ho kan ma chama dia to de tunte na woye de obetebre na te wako eya ya repabian ya kwa kucheni ndi Abotchie ubitaya atem no sei ena umetibreti pate
Abotchie seku my nase nyame hira ye nim se eden a ye be se di nkomo afa abato e ho na mame sam kire se aya Sompa ha no yetimi akeka ma ne bia bom 71 out of 277 ye hwa ye raken ewo 14,363 Dr. Brian Champon ekra 8,534 Maminke obio se aye kendie no 25.01%. And Dr. Brian Champon die no aye 14.86%. Sasuna Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ekra 33,536 representing 58.14%. Dr. Educhum ekra 874 representing 1.55%. Sasona aye engineer Kwabra J Japan ekra 1,1 114, representing 0.20%. Engineer Diane 1,114, representing 0.20%. Engineer Nature say engineer Crado per a year the 71 results from the 277 polling stations. Now, I say, or ya bought a home on it.
Prof, you have a chance, sir. Me calculation, I say, minimum 7 months in your kind year.
Then,
young call last two, no, or say, Aduchum Diano,
Educhum Diano, 874.
And they are 1.55%.
And there could be a mistake. Okay, let me do that check again. Let me do that check again.
Because I know you're 874, then you're 1.55. Where is that 1,000?
1,874.
1,874. 1,874.
Sure.
And they are 1.55%.
1.55%.
And engineer, the year
1,114.
1,114. And the year
0.20%.
Fantastic.
Sure.
Fantastic. So out of 277, no.
71.
Yeah, Timia quality 71.
71.
So me repeat two figures now.
Maybe I told me repeat.
Dr. Canada, Japan.
Sure.
14,363.
Good.
Representing 25.01%.
Good.
Dr. Brian Champon. 8,534, representing 14.86%.
Sure.
Dr. Mahamudu Baumia, 33,536, representing 58.14%.
Good.
Dr. Osaya Waduchum, 1,874.
Sure.
Representing 1.55%.
Good.
Engineer Kwabena J. Ejapon, 1,114. Representing 0.20%.
Sure. Okay, so those are the figures now. Now, Oheneyere na Okasana Bichawa no so.
Prof, na the America kwa kwesi ni se se woni obi kwa akensi a empepi ne ya na yenyi ya dwemu po ensane nkyere nipa koro no. Esan se wo hwe surprises na ye Brian all ye no a me de enye me nwanwa pisa esan se wo hwe se ne a wo si edi ni dwuma na wo ye obi nsusu a prof bia se wonim ne kakra wo ye obi a wotimi eka nipa bo ma menka ne sa
Sure.
Se wakoto se bia ye beko program bi wo se nipa mienu bi anya akasa bi krampo no a I was surprised one time the way I was sick nipa mienu bi asem no na I wasn't expecting say bia enka asem ne bepem ho a but within a shortest possible time yeah wo ba bi o free buy obe settle at the end free ho eti minim say bia esu ni ban bi wo ho a prof eya na obi wonu obi tina se oyi su ni ban kakra bi kira bia na ade no wo eyi wo mo ye qualify e was sa su ni ban ni mo ma menka ne sa
But you don't think say and yes, Gassam.
Sika eka ho bi ntina meka cha wo se obi ye na ade ya sika kan do beka cha wo se sika enka ho wo sa abato ya ekoso oboa because obeka cha me se anopa ne ye discussion bi wa se no no pa wi anim ho no na say bi je 500 o hwe your friend is saying sunyane a one of the polling centers obehu say your friend say polling agent wo ho a wono na eche sika adan ya wo free ba omia camp ehwo na wokoche sika me hu say this is the amount a wokoye esa me ko ba bia sika amaje no na adedwa ma obi ehu bi but ono ne de na bia waya amana hu say bia 500 na wutu aye obetimi atrepo no into atrepo na mind you say nipa kro na kofa da one share ne nsem no onkoto sa aba ne mfa ma because the wono no enya dodo no na fi na ahokyere wo ho Abotchie ahokyere wo ho enkofo botom sika nhada ni ho wo mu si atete ne yama so ndi si aban ba ye mu na ba so oya ade na so no
skenio
sika nhya emafo botom sa omom wo bi ni wo bi omom ni bi no so kwa na omoko omachi and this is delegates na itini from say etu ahene ne asi ahene fo no this is their time omom da ni na napa ho a eda ba ebiem eti anu o take advantage nipa na wo nsem be yedu no What bet me agree in the palm mono, I mean, why you're softer no. What one chan what they are banana? I don't say
because when say Dr. Brenda Champon before what move over to a bay any campaigning now we also hotel you is the region.
Sure.
Rock City.
Rock City.
What if say delegates no talk that
Definitely.
You see playing a big role in this.
Now nim the oba catch you. Oh, anytime be on baba bia no mako program no. Anytime be on baba bia no. Baba bia no e ho. Anytime bia no there. Abotchie am fa so oba catch us so. I don't know wife we ba na say I don't know girlfriend be ba say no. Eh ya no how aye oba. Ka ja nsam me na me say wo kwa obi antimi nka hwenje o de ade.
Bro, Baba, remember Apam Dadaa. Now, Obrempong figures now made 2 Jano. 71 out of 277 polling stations. So, who noting it down?
Yes.
Okay.
Then
I catch you.
Me person ka wo hwa de bi wa Akwatia mame.
Akwatia.
Yes. Me wa Akwatia figures wa ha.
Oh, Akwatia figures.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine.
Akwatia figures no. Canada Japan. 157.
Okay.
Dr. Brian Champon 103. And Dr. Mahmoud Baumia 329. Memfa at least I'm gonna hear because they do to me a 4, a Japan 0.
Okay. Then
now Akwatia is in Eastern region. And now me catch there was say Dr. Brian Champon coming from Eastern region, or best say Canada Japan vote. And I see what happened. All these 103 Brian Champon. I tell you, it's about 90% would have gone to Canada Japan. But what I say no. If not less than 90%, if not 90%, at least not less than 80%, and I can walk Canada Japan dim. But we pick kakra. Now, my main show idea. Niema Akwatia Brian Antimi enya more than ya onya ye ma Dr. Mahmoud Baumia enya 329 no. Eye NST Akumi connection. NST Akumi the connection with Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Right? Enna amo mamia omo women organizer ya weja onko bi mu yi.
Why?
Kate Jemfoa.
Yeah.
From Akwatia. Also from the camp of Brian Champon. A play critical role pa. Ewo. Sa adwuma wo mu ye no mu. Now hwade. When me can say national executives ana omo endorse Baumia no openly me mante se kejemfo a na o endorse any of the candidates me mante but me nim say ne affiliation Dr. Mahmoud Baumia na wono anso na de ne line so na NST Akumi free buy.
Hey, Charlie. Say track around me use what I don't know. Figure now made 2 first about a year engineer Kwabra J Japan.
Adane.
Now and do 1,000.
Okay.
Yeah. So let me do that correction.
All right.
My basaya fufro. But see, I know ya input 95
constituencies.
There be polling stations. Out of the 277 polling stations are open to about.
Into the young canasa.
Okay. They don't constituency. Polling station.
On say, Providence American
let's hold it there. A polling station.
Okay. Well,
let's hold it there. A polling station.
90.
Say 95.
95
out of 277. Yes, I'm not getting it right. Okay, so out of that, you know, so Yeshua, Kennedy. Across 17,675, representing 24.39%. Dr. Brian Champon, across 10,925, representing 14.99%. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, across 43,193. Representing 59.26%. I had my corrections.
Okay.
Dr. Educhum, Ekra 927. It wasn't the former case that I said.
Okay.
927, representing 1.29%. Sasana engineer Kwabena J Japan. Yeah, the one card. Okra 128.
128.
Yes, representing 0.18%. So 95 out of the 277 polling station results were provisional. Were provisional.
Prof Yadio.
Sure.
Ebra na okita 71 no. Na Canada Japan ekita 14,363.
Right.
Dr. Brand Champo no kita 8,534. Before
Sure.
for now. Now from 71 to 95. Canada Japan 17,675. Brand Champo 10,925. It tells me say percentage wise ne de kitua bi na climb bi na percentage wise obia na ebia kan kitten. Now hwade it tells me how Brian Champon is appreciating in numbers. Oheneyere kan sem bi na em say etiefo adwene nhye dan ko ho
Ebi o ma adwene akọ ho na wo na onim.
well and say na wa ye ne ho say minyawa mebo kutu ba ma mo ahye mbotum minim se watem a minyawa mebo kutu ba ma mo me kutu na ahye mbotum na body e mebo ba me dem sa ahye mbotum emum wo so dae a won kan jiro bia em na no Oheneyere ka no and many Oheneyere ya adwen pa say sabi mpreduasa ya na ye taibo katache be ma na sem bia ya no wotai ka wa ha pa aboabobonua wo boni trim se ne maame wu a wo bebone botan mu de ne maame atom no se wanka nkire obi a anka na de ye hye ne trim na emu mokoka kire amanfo no mamanfo fa ne ho adwene
Yeah.
enti Canada Japan ka ne nsem Branch Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ka ne nsem no na Branch Champion tachire no opiki note enti oye din eno na oya no oka se wako all polling station agent wo constituency bia wa wuram sa bre no na aye too late say won so be kobi niema ne secret ba ko na meyi a kire no na ye too late obi abesan ko eno na make say Kennedy di be ye zoom meeting ebe affect Kennedy because eno na make say we say Oheneyere epese wotoma Obrempong a anya hwe Oheneyere pese anya hwe kra no mani Obrempong twa selfie
Wow.
oti zoom na woni me kasa wa mume
It plays a role.
it played a role wa mume obi a wona wo hia me aye se okwa himfie na ewa se wokọ na wokọ sere ade afiri wo hene ho no na wafa phone na wo frɛ wo hene wanfo bu ama wo hene no sa na wom sa edu sa abre yom ye hene ahemafo o eri dine fo ma tu ahene ne asi ahene enti ewa se wokọ ne na so na wokọ pa ne kyɛw se mi hia wokọ kromoti no me sere wo fama me imagine zoom so imagine internet so yenim say we are moving into the digital space but delegate ni hu ne say you need me nyame na me hia nti bra me ho na abaji me vote
Maminti Apam on this subject. Apam you.
Prof.
Yes.
Ma yemu atiefu amobio. Baby ankomo ne nam ne nyina no. Me kan bibi kire wo se kane no na owura bran na odiba omi achi. Enti campaign na wo moyo no wafa ha. Wono nhye that said de ebinom hyehyehye bo eche se allergic asa oba constituency bia obema mo appointment 10. Wo nhye dante Brian ne promise o. Nanso questions a ebinom put in up no. Okwa o the answers ko. No wakoyi ano ewo ho e de akere won. Ebi obra na o ya agric minister no. Sabre na school feeding na ejina mu pa. Enti empasua bia so no wo akuafo ho ya ono wo mu di kasasie enti bra wonya twen ni ti so obeba no no wadi kan kura akọ in advance delegates na ebi no mu ye kokọ akuafo no
Yeah.
no wadi kan kura ne wo mo e wo rapport ne deda enti bra wo mu didi o mo nkomo ni nyina wi e ka sa campaign ni season no wasan fa akire ba bi obi akọ ho bio ɔkɔ Ashanti more wɔsan bɛsene kɔ Easton hɔ pa wura Central wɔwie bɛsene kɔ Bɔkɔ na ɔbɛka sɛ wakɔ baabia nti nea wowɔ di kan akɔka no ɔkɔ a na wahwetim na afei ɔno nso de ne deɛ akɔ akɔtom wei nyinaa no yɛsɛ wo keka mu no yɛ keka dampan na keka de ba doctor diem because sɛ Brian antwene ti a nka show down ma bɛkɔ nka ɔbɛkɔ paa nti Brian ba mu no sɛ wɔtwa alaji a wɔtwa ne kakraa bi wo de wɔhwɛ a wobɔ sɛ aba na ɛba no nyina ɔwɛre alaji deɛ no but sɛ wɔtwa kana o wɔtwa no bum ɛma ɛhɔ no wo sɛ ɛhɔ no emu edu ebio kasa ka ho nkɔmɔ a no wɔ mo nam wɔ mo di no alaji twi no ɔka deɛ nanso on flow kɛse saa te sɛ wɔn mo a akeka no but Brian ka o twi no a wotimi ka o twi deɛ yache etimi ka twi deɛ obɛsɛ yapotɔ ne saa nti baabi obi adeɛ wɔ no wotimi de fa ho bi
okay so ma bi na me kwa amaro so na me na agyeman no pambo a osunyan endi nkobo na agyeman na tisɛn
Yami adomo me hoye.
Good. Na se awie ahe na ogina.
Professor Eche Bijna Collation Center e wo Bono region ha.
Collation Center benga.
Yes.
Okay.
Bono
region Collation Center. Na che se me ne wo ka say Bono region oba collect eye resource ni nyina awie.
Netani so mu mi tete na ye twen other districts no so mo de beba but ye nya ewo a ebetime bi asujama atie for so ate.
The provisional results.
Yes.
Beba to ko edim ne ntie we.
Mo beda se me sha fi Sunya East no ye wie no na Honorable Kennedy at Japan anya 148 Brian Champion, so honorable Brian Champion, 61. Dr. Mahmoud Baumiasunya, 163.
Wait here, Pacho. Ye hwe na yasakwa hamano so bio na yensaka ye nua na agyeman na ye no na di nkomo no line no atiako but the collation center where they menim say ade a enche wo mo de resource no nyina ebetudwa ba mame sanka obio say yenya 121 out of 277 121 out of 277 we a provisional results aya Kennedy ekra emano 21,903 representing 24.44%. Sasuna aya Dr. Brana Champon ekra 14,242 representing 15.89%. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia di. Okay, let's see. But go back. Pay a resource on a mamo. Me patcho. Okay, go amano some review. Hello.
Yeah, Professor.
Yeah, me patcho. Me tie wo na wo boy nkomo.
Yes, I now man it so.
Sure.
I'm no wo Sunya East there no so. Sunya East no Honorable Kennedy Japan 148 148. Honorable Brian Achampo, Onosunya, 61, 61. Dr. Mahmoud Baumiya, 563, 563. Honorable Abotchie Sunya, 2. And I say so, Engineer Fabra Japan Sunya, 2. Total valid vote cast away at 776. That is 776. After you come to the worker, Honorable Kennedy Japonia 123, 123. Aya Brand Achampo, Honorable Brand Achamponia 63. Honorable Yaw Aduchin Sunya 04. and now engineer Kwabena Japan Sunya 0.
Right.
Brekum East, Honorable Kennedy Japonia 200. 200. 200. Honorable Grant Achamponia 182. 182. Dr. Mahmoud Baudianya 265. 265. Honorable Abichim Napeso, engineer Kwabena Japan, Yebi, 00. Yeba, Yama Nofwa, Achampo, Honorable Grant Achamponia 107. 107. Honorable Kennedy Ohene Japan Sunya 164. 164. Dr. Mahmoud Baumianya 320. 320. 320. Honorable Aduchim Nafeso Engineer Kwabena Japan so Bianya 00. Yekwan Chinsua Honorable Kennedy Japan Enya 145. 145. Brand Achamponya 66. 66. Eya Dr. Mahmoud Baumia 491. 491. Aduchim, Honorable Aduchim, Onosunya 08. 08. And after so engineer Kwabena Japan Sunya 1. Unya 1 ewo. Doma West. Honorable Kennedy, Ohene Japan Enya 95. 95. Honorable Grant Achamponya 42. 42. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia 175. 175. Honorable Aduchim Nafeso Engineer Kwabena Japan Obianya 00. 00. Yekotan district in Swa. Honorable Kennedy Ohene Japonia 90. 90. Honorable Brand Achamponya 118. 118. And after Dr. Mahmoud Baumia 570. 570. Honorable Aduchim 5. And after so Engineer Kwabena Japan Sunya 1. Doma Central. Honorable Kennedy Ohene Japan 181. 181. Honorable Brand Achampo 145. 145. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia 360. 360. Honorable Aduchim 0. Engineer Kwabena Japan Sunya 0. Eti Professor, member German South to the National Field, the two Regional Coalition Center.
Sure.
German South also, Honorable Kennedy Japonia 205. 205. Honorable Grant Achampo 153. 153. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia 337. 337. And Dr. Aduchim 06. 06. Engineer Kwabena Japan 0. Engineer Kwabena Japan 0. And so far, Blue Region had the Yasaka, Blue Regional Coalition Center. Other results na they are to achieve for so any.
Now, Okasara Brekum West, Yante Dr. Mahmoud Baumia you.
Brekum West, and the areas, Maniso, Brekum West. Okay. Mama Gana, I pay me a correction and I'm a farmer.
Sure. All right, so Sompa 106.5 FM in Accra, and again live on Sompa TV, baby Obiano. We'll bring you up to speed with a resource trickling in. As we speak now, the NPP has decided. We have provisional results for 123 out of the 277 polling stations. So we have all those results over here. And Mamifa results into job 123 out of the 277. Kennedy Ajapon Ekra Emma 21,982, representing 24.06%. Aya Dr. Brandon Champon Ekra 14,360, representing 15.72%. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Ekra 53,720, representing 57.72%. Aya Dr. Educhum 1,156, representing 1.20%. And engineer Kwabena J. Ejapon 190, representing 0.20%. And Wene Emma Yenya updates in this one, but there be the Bemam 84. Now, hello.
Yes, Professor, the cool was the honorable Dr. Baubiano, ethical. The cool was 147.
147. 147.
Yeah.
Mamina se passe. Edding and Combo. Now, you said the Becoso Collation Center Hobiano. Fan Kame Ayeng. Mamiko Namini Shaggy ending Como. Shaggy, our Bulu is region. Shaggy, that is saying.
Prof,
Bibia fine. Shaggy. Then the Koso Bunu is Nahifana.
Okay. Prof, Mamacha, what's your phobia?
Sure.
Sesia Menoka say, Mewo, Tachima Sesia.
Oh, Tachima, if I'm Yami Krum.
Oh, so what would you say?
Mind you.
Okay. Minister Tachman, Yade, Krasa Diaba, Yade, Tachman South, Tachman North, Kentapo North, Kentapo South. It's a blue East Nina. Aha, it is a Yana East Nina, Etienne. Yakanina Bomuno. You were connected with Japan. 828. 828. And I say Dr. Brandon Champon. 1,391. 1,391. And a Dr. Alaji Muhammad Baumia. 5,049. 5,049. And Dr. Yao Osei Educhum. 58. And I say engineer Kwabra Japan. 13. 13. And Bulu East, so far. Yanika Bomuno. The Ayansa Aka Enono.
All right. Maybe it was as figures, no subio mame why.
Okay. You are Kennedy was in Japan. 828.
All right.
Dr. Brand at Champon. 1,391. You are Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Baumia. 5,049. 5049.
All right.
Dr. Yao Osei Educhum. 58. That's 58. And I say engineer Obran Japan. Enya 13.
Wow. So you may say now so far no. I want to saying I'm out for a job with me. Security situation that is saying John Fojika congratulate.
Abotchie was a cow town there.
Sir.
So far, I did the same thing.
Yeah.
Yama S. Sankakra. MPP, Abotchie.
Sure.
After election, in fact, we put Tachman South, Mako Tachman North.
Yeah.
Mako Kranza South, Mako Kranza North, Mako Kintampo North, Mako Kintampo South. After say Yabubo, I need in every year. Ye who say jubilation be a coso. The one is a wait Chan Yonko. Now we are Chan Yonko. Now we are Chan Yonko. Your women can say 2028. 2028. Ye na ye kamum. And you say among for this effort chrome. etu krom ede enchene de de yo no no kwasem pa ni se me hyeda ehuni sa e wo ha
wow
eye makoma bi na ehu se no matutu sire powder gu omo ho nanso no me ehu se mpanimfo bi stop wo mo se pantiri yina na edi nkunim enye obi na edi nkunim e wo bono east na enye me won so se abasa na se twerefo wo hanyina ka se obono east die se wo se Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia 2023 say ya ne course enti na enye won se Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ebetimi akonanim na ade mako ashoke wo mo pa wo namba bia prof obia e kan se brand ashoke wo mo na bom omo susu se e ka Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia de bi be ya the running mate e ka punu east do na e professor ka on fa Dr. Bernard Champo e fa no ya the running mate na ka omo fa 2028 e ko mo kakra e ko zo fa do
honorable Martin James akosa ho ye
never done way pa ya ni di nkomo nyame adom na oha
okay
enti wono so kire nani so anopa no o te se na ye no e bon nkomo oba o visit all the various centers no e fe di wa na nema esi eko enti na all around empany focus for bebre former minister for energy one abo kwame abotchie na omunyina e wo town former MP for Nkranza North and then honorable major retired Derek Yawodro and at the Mecca say former MP Yana also in Nkranza South honorable Charles Kunedu Yadom and after Obotchie Timaya Akukudam and the Akasifoni party chairman party executives I say now Oba Tetimana North Yabaka se chairman na oye party but that party no
yeah
na o Kennedy was in Japan afa and oba Techiman South so Yabaka say we no so no na or so e wo ha Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ho
yeah
in all no na for region ni na musu a aye chairman abi ya na o da party no nyina anu wo bunu east no
sure
na ono so edi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia chi but after the election no the for you yehu ana ye twane say omo me enu nyina chia omo
wow
omo kabom omo nyina de ani gie e na chese omo de ko na de omo kan 2028 no enu na hia omo but eni sesi ade eni sesi ade bunu this de eni je wo ha abotoyem wo ha obia kwatra na fie kakra would wadi to mama bi sport wa would sagi me who be a ucha curve na afa me who be a ucha curve na afa na bom ka tell mama bi say be share why mama bi say because say when you pa na wa to
Abuja for Sompa 106.5 FM in Accra, Sompa TV and I would say and cano. Say no, say ado a resource aba. Yen Sompa ya boabua no. Yenya 132 out of the 277. 132 out of 277. And Abuja for provisional resource yakika bomuno enini. Ayaken Ekra 24,507, representing 25.24%. Dr. Bernard Champon Ekra 15,296, representing 15.76%. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Ekra 55,926, representing 57.61%. Dr. Edichum Ekra 1,160, representing 1.19%. And engineer Kwabena J. Japan Ekra 192, representing 0.20%. But okay, so quickly, but yasabu bia shem CCA, and no, yenya more than half. More than half. So say 155 out of 277. 155 out of 277. Hey, Ken Ekra 27,377, representing 24.65%. Hey! Dr. Brenda Champon, the new kid on the block, ekura 19,674, representing 17.71%. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ekura 62,587, representing 56.35%. Dr. Educhum ekura 1,221, representing 1.10%. And engineers, Abri, we reakonenim kakra, okra 202, representing 0.81%. Hey! As someone, so you have more than half, 155 out of the 277.
Yeah, quite him.
155 out of 270. I can't say.
Aka 122.
Aka 122.
277.
Okay, Aka 122.
Yeah.
Okay, and you know, results in the Dr. Mahmoud Baumia taking commanding lead.
Oh yeah.
56%.
Yes.
Ba Bedu. Ewo Ashanti region. When could they say that? Ba is send you. Good. Ba. Now, and command na baby was a boy remu.
Okay, you see, I'm a dog for Mena constituency.
Sure.
For Mena constituency, we are Kennedy Japan in 127, 127. Brian Champo in 44, 44. We are Baumia in 202, 202. We are Educhum in 1. Engineer Kobina. Japan so enya 1. After Memphis Kwabri East constituency. Ura Kennedy Japan enya 411. Ura Brian Champo enya 221. Dr. Alaji Mahamudu Baumia enya 783. Dr. Osaya Educhum enya 19. After engineer Kwabena Japan enya 1. Total number of votes 1,476. 1,476. Total vote cast no 1,395. And no rejected 2. We Kwabri East constituency. Then for Jabin constituency. Jabin Ura Kennedy Japan enya 84. Brian Echampo enya 59. Dr. Alaji Mahmoud Baumia enya 282. Dr. Osaya Educhum enya 34. Engineer Kwabena Japan enya 1. Rejected 1. Total valid votes 461. Total registered voters 491. We Jabin constituency. Yanko Efija Sector East. Efija Sector East. Ora Kennedy Japan enya 206. Ora Brian Echampo enya 129. Dr. Alaji Mahmoud Baumia enya 391. Dr. Osaya Edichum enya 10. Engineer Kwabena Japan enya 3. Yanko Mansun Kwanta Kennedy Japan enya 257. Brian Echampo enya 60. Owura Baumia enya 275. Dr. Odeya Oduchim enya 20. Ena engineer Kwabena Japan so enya 2. Yanko Insuka Farmine the Postal constituency. Honorable Kennedy Japan enya 102. Dr. Brian Echampo enya 89. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia enya 378. Honorable Oseya Educhim enya 2. Engineer Kwabena Japan enya 1. Yenya rejected. Obuasi West Kennedy Japan enya 223. Ura Brian Echampo enya 49. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia enya 405. 405. Aduchum enya 7. Engineer Kwabena Japan enya 3. Asante Mampo constituency. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia enya 471. Dr. Brian Echampo enya 140. Ura Ken enya 110. Yanko Kwadaso constituency. Ken Ejapo enya 133. Anna Brian Echampo so enya 37. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia enya 289. Kwabena Japan nya 1. Aduchim wenyabi. Total vote by 460. Inti so far, kakra metuni agada no.
Yo, mini abamena wase se ode ehwa ne ede aboyen ye da se na minim se de ekoso e obibia wo Ashanti region bia no woni de akiri se bibi tofoma obema ya so ate nyame nsura pa se ode amane ne boy yeso da se pa ma menka se Dr. Mahmoud Baumia enyare ntie se obekasa and anasa and no kasa obeka bia no tiefo enya de a ye be kamemo live here on Sompa 106.5 FM in Accra, and again live on Sompa TV. On Sompa TV. So you bet me Afa and also Eddie Abro live here on Sompa 106.5. You got it, yes, a dog, kasab there. We are trying to see if we can fix the situation so you can have the message right here. I was Sompa 106.5 FM in Accra, and again live here on Sompa TV. So that's what it is. Apam, Babinti Okakrada, Yanshe say, Yede Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Kasada Betuya.
Prof. NPP about we are 1 or 2 ye. Say, oh, total vote cast, no? And said the AC qua. A dear dance here pa say a fear ban or mato. Or my one what to pa. Or moose ye baby. Every dear Wamokoyene canibia. Dodo na nkwankoto na ewie ye etija no enti sasa wo mababo so pa se wo moto a wo mato ne massively vote na appreciate na owura Brian ba wo ba still fra ofro na fra ofro ni nyina no eno nso eka bibi because wo hwe Canadian na wo mokoto 2023 no a show down mine na ni bere wo ho no sabre ni say ne vote to appreciate pa ye beka se na no nso ye ne first time ya na wabam enti se dem panimfo ka se ebia hunu fofora na wo mo ayi dada no bra wura Brian wura mu no wo no nso ye kotofofora waba beka ho bi ama wo mo ewo down ho na ho sampa se the MPP for ka say we have the men no still our men no binum wo ho a afi bia na bere bia wo mbekọ primaries no foforo twiniti ya wo banso a ya na wo the speed na eba ndi said ye owura kan ba wo the speed bi eba ye no na o ba for the first time no say bi na Brian so de homrika aba be wura mu bi no.
All right, Babin that's na yenko amano so na ye ne oponche cheku ending komo bia na oponche cheku that say okay so say I fa na wo.
Well, the day I make a tell you, me wo Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia, ne campaign office a wo Asalam down wait one more bia meeting akanono.
Ye nyare ntia say dog akasa na den na oka ye boneto for mine.
Me da se Abotchie. Ghana mampani abedi akyire na eye MPP for any so much transaction and munyam
me ba so nyabotre onye Ghana mampanyin abedi akyire we abedi akyire dada that's fine.
But quick one. Wakasa, the same kind of nyina no tiawa. Wada delegate ase. E comment to say in term of bar headquarters e bro beto na ba ni wie ye no kan no. Sai bi pepepe e na wasan so esi so back. We no gina pen e wo party coordinators. Omuka ne campaign team ho etime eboa ye ne titru suhum enkane ma hye bedani yera opare ansa se campaign coordinator otime tigina ye eboa ene Ghana for delegate wo MPP amani ko no etigina ye eboa ye menye nkumndie totunjenu asanso ababaye ne dia no kwasem nie yewra yi kasa na ni mo sere wo da party mpanifu ase wo da national executive committee na afensu no planning committee ya wo motena ase ehye se adwumadi we ema ene nkumudie kenkirenke etimi aba ade ama oso no wasanso akasa dia to de kyemu se ye hye abato ya abaye a ejina ho ketuni ede ma Ghana for se they will give you our new say akwenya betio 2028 obet masan structure ni bobre the same kind there Abotchie ye shemo wan kasa kwampo amana ndu say 7 minutes and our boni tia esan say for kasa de wo kan o ha ho en kan bebre o ko ni she na for boni tia wa enti say akwakọ ye twidie yi and Abotchie mado apem akomu echiko na ni nyina mu no odane campaign team ase odane supporters ase odane delegates ase na ye share onu ankasa ne yire o Samira Baumia wogina ne nchen na omma ne mowura ya na kwa te se na Abotchie di ne birthday adan ye de cake brani enki sabi pepepe eye nije na ekoso ewo His Excellency Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Baumia ne campaign office.
Abotchie ku ya better wase say no yes
Today, you know, coalition room one no.
Yes.
Electoral Commission at the end say ya dia to on man. Oba bie pun amfa man tensioni bia manankom. Enu nti nyame ya adumo mu bie no mu ye e fa Ghana nyina result ne ho a. Ye ba be piemu ewo eye MPP atena kese ewo ya salam down. Eho e na ye ba be ye final declaration. Na ye tie in some be pie free empenifu a omo beba enu ti mi bia no sei midimani echrem ewo party headquarters.
Rajo koso ya na wa hwe ho so ye. Yes, that's upon Chicheku. And it is Oheneyere Ebon Kobo from Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, the office. Mami ko na mi nkotie. Oheneyere, my intiwe. Yeah.
I said, yeah, na ye. Sani aye ka say ye Brian champion doctor was surprised no na say sa pepepe na ekọ na wo hwe sania results na siba prof share ayi achimso adru.
Yeah.
Sania Dr. Mahmoud Baumia esa ma wo ho no. I want to say wo Eastern region. But Kennedy a compare kwa Japan nya 45. Dr. Brian Champion nya 66 wo ho. And afi Dr. ya wo said du twumi ame papa. But some twa bato ampeso ya so de. Ya nhye da nya bi 1. Ena ye Rakwabere Japan nya 2 wo ho. Na Dr. Mahmoud Baumia sesa Emmanuel ha na aduosonson. 177. Achemso adru.
But I'm say delegates na they still omo pe Dr. Mahmoud.
Oh, mo pe na asem. And looking at Asen South, Asen South nso provisional results e ban de yewura Kennedy akompre kwa Japan wono so enya wo ho a wo hwa wonya 338 Dr. Brian Champo nya 59 Dr. Mahmoud Baumia nya 250 afi Dr. Yawosedu Twumenya 2 Engineer Kwabena Eje Japan hwe wanya bi ewo ho enti ehwo nso ni Yewura Kennedy na efan wo ho ensa wamadro agiri yankase a heye Dr. Mahmoud Baumia sesa amano ahenso ene nso 707 ena Yewura Kennedy nso nya wo ha ne aduanan enso 147 Dr. Brian Champo nya 89 ena afi Dr. Yawosedu Twumenya 2 ena Yewura Nimonyamfo engineer nso epeja ba akope ewo ho a eno soso ho asem wo ase no na dome kwabenya den de minim se no krampo ya ka ho asem se de esinya ye no Kennedy akompre kwa Japan nabo enya 530 Dr. Brian Champo nya 240 Dr. Mahmoud Baumia SSR 900 Afe Dr. Yawosedu Twumenya 22 ena afe Kwabena Eje Japan so enya miensa ewo ho asonase Yewura Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ho so wono na efaye na wo hwa Yewura Kennedy akompre kwa Japan enya 150 votes Dr. Brian Champo enya 160 afi Dr. Mahmoud Baumia enya 662 Dr. Yawosedu Twumenya 1 ena engineer Kwabena Eje Japan so enya 5 ewo ho eno eye asonase abato empesua so provisional results no ebi na yede etutu dwa no afi Yewuramu Oboko Central so say na niema kwa Kennedy akompre kwa Japan munyafo enya 142 Dr. Brian Champo enya 87 afi Dr. Mahmoud Baumia enya 443 Dr. Yawosedu Twum enya 4 ena Yewura Nimonyamfo Kwabena Eje Japan so enya 3 ewo ho eno eye Boko Central bato empesua so provisional results ni bi ena atodwa na fe Abra Asebu kwama kesenso say na eniema esitie Yewura Kennedy Japan enya 301 Dr. Brian Champo 239 Dr. Baumia enya 246 Dr. Yawosedu Twum enya 10 ena engineer Kwabena Eje Japan enya 3 ewo ho eno eye Abra Asebu kwama kese provisional results a yensa aka wo ho eno no ena Cape Coast South nso Yewura Ken enya 147 Dr. Brian Champo enya 66 Dr. Mahmoud Baumia enya 365 Dr. Yawosedu Twum enya 3 ena engineer Kwabena Eje Japan so enya 2 ewo ho eno so eye Cape Coast South provisional results a yensa kana no Enfansemai constituency so no Yewura Ken enya 375 Dr. Brian Champo 216 Dr. Baumia enya 507 Dr. Yawosedu Twum enya 3 ena fe Yewura Nimonyamfo engineer Kwabena Eje Japan so enya 2 ewo ho na Yewuramu ewo Upper Central West provisional results we by no Yewura Kennedy enya 222 Dr. Brian Champo enya 21 Dr. Baumia enya 302 afi Dr. Yawosedu Twum enya 2 ena engineer Kwabena Eje Japan so enya ekome baako ewo ho no eye Upper Central West eno so provisional results no ehonsem eno no afi Yewuramu ewo na ligu Gambaga abato empesua so Yewura Kennedy enya 7 single number 7 Brian Champo Dr. enya 18 Dr. Mahmoud Baumia enya 904 Dr. Edu Twum enya 1 engineer Kwabena Eje Japan wonya hwe wenya bi wo hwe no eye na legu Gambaga provisional results no so
with the so na men corner one say enya 202 out of 277 and no say sure aya Kennedy ekura 30,991 representing 22.13%. And Dr. Brian Champo ekura 28,418 representing 20.30%. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ekura 78,752 representing 56.25%. Ayat Dr. Edu Twum 1,535 representing 1.10%. And engineer Kwabna Ejepon 314 representing 0.22%. Okay, mebacho Ken Ekra 30,991 22.13%. Dr. Brenda Champon 28,418 representing 20.30%. Sasana Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Ekra 78,752 representing 56.25%. Dr. Educhum 1,535 representing 1.10%. And engineer Kwabna J Japan. Oh, engineer 314 representing 0.22%. Clearly, the delegates have spoken. So say, Akabaye 75. Not just pulling station results in Inano. Sompa 106.5 FM in Accra. Sompa TV. Diabwa no. Ene diabro. Menia, I mean Apamansa. Apamamentio.
Me da say mo prof.
Na I don't know sim. Abam we penimu ana say. We akoda. We abada
no a.
Ora go krebi na me dey shower.
Ya asemo.
My itio.
Ma ye mo MPP fo abaso.
Yeah.
De me de ne say ye nti kuta ne ye nti gya no bia esan say de wo mo ye nyina efie ntokwa. Na say uhu say eleji akasa. Enye nwanwa. Wo say na no bra wo mo to national de no kese pa ni wie no. Ya na electoral commission gusu a wo bobo na constituencies no kra nyina manwie no. Na eleji babonten ebe kire say o da delegates na se obese voters no wo mo a eto aba ni nyina obo bia ba so na wo hu se nkunim no ankwa ma wo say too soon why early nti na ma bebra apalai nti enenso nso na edika be kasa wo mo bonwe de na nso hwepetata kramu a onsa ade no ba bia e ka kono still no wo mo bobo ni nyina akura na ade ba bia wonya wine mpempo de aka no saa 70 yina aka no wo nya ba bia 111 kura aka ho a still no afa saa na ese ye kwakwayo ma remfi say aha election house no nti abana wo mo tu nyina fie na wo mo to no nti obi a to de awie na wo mo didi nkomo na yenso yete akira ayete wo mo didi nkomo yi no ohwe ba bi obi a kira so otoko yi na ohwe dom a wo mo tete didi nkomo yi a uhu say majority carries the motu ampa say tie bia nkunim no e wo ba bia
majority carries the what
the motu
there be amanfoti majority carries
the vote
sure
nti wo mo na carry ade no wotie nkomo no ba bia ka kwa nti say dia me party ni say
yeah
wo ho a we so matro tawo no ya masuma say wo be say congratulations nti say messages na ya
all right je because go tie Dr. Mahmoud Baumia but the provisional results from Tema West what is that chama kwesi boku ye ni na ofie
will show you so
Tema West pa Kennedy enya 296 Dr. Brenda Champon ebowura ho ekose 100 Dr. Mahmoud Baumia enya 289
Nyabete prof
Tema West
Kennedy nya
296
Brian nya 100
Dr. Mahmoud Baumia enya 289 that's a chema kwesi boku ba abu friend of me
na chema kwesi boku no ba o say ha wan gura
woman go tie Dr. Mahmoud Baumia na nsama on the two ya.
Well, let me thank all of you. We've gone through a journey. It's been a fierce battle that we've waged across the country, across all the regions in the country. And we couldn't have gotten here without the support of the team around. You're only as good as your team in these matters. And I can say, without any fear of contradiction, that I have been blessed with an excellent team that have worked for me. I'd like to thank the National Campaign Coordinator, Oheneyere Mensah-Bonsu, as well as the campaign manager, Fredo Pariansa, and the campaign team in general. Everybody has contributed so much, and I cannot really thank everybody individually at the moment, but I will have time to thank everybody individually. The MPs, I must say, who have stood by my side have been phenomenal in this contest. They've really supported and they've delivered what they have promised, what they promised to do. I want to thank all the members of parliament who've supported me. I want to thank also the party executives who've helped organize this election, the EC, security, media, and all of that. But, you know, we are standing on the shoulders, very broad shoulders, of former flag bearers of this party. I'm talking about Professor Edubuahin. I'm talking about J. Kufuor. I'm talking about Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. They have built the party and taken the party this far. And it's really humbling that, you know, we have been elected as a flag bearer of the party to continue the work that they have started. I don't also want to forget the former MPs and so on who helped. I want to thank all of you. God bless you, and we'll have time to talk.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, former Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, and one of the contenders are Enedi Womu Ejiremu Emma Womukotoa. The 202 results are Yenya Ewaha out of the 277. No. Leading comfortably with 56.25%. But Osha results now, Dr. Brenna Champon. O di kenne chi pepe. O di kenna che. Hey, asemo.
Prof,
Ozere.
This pack here so ka so amanta
mo mienu. Zana manta no. But Prof,
Yeah, Mavin you.
I think somewhere last week. I'm say eja na eja wa ha na say na me ne Madam Akwesi mu baako. Na ye kan say paper review no. It's 2 weeks ago. Na ye kan sem bi wa ha. And na me kan krofo bi nso omo post bi a omaye. And they were saying say any of the 5 aspirants, apart from Dr. Brian Champon, the 4 remaining, Obia Obewini Bia, Efa Brian Champon as the running mate, onya problem. Two, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Dr. Oheneyere Waduchum, engineer Japan, and Kennedy compare Japan. If any of these 4 win, now say omo kofa Dr. Brian Champon as running mate ebeboa. Now Osanba say if Dr. Brian Champon wins near opeso odeni ko bia odeni konso oni problem. Opekra na me busa say bia Apam kra so mefa Apam mpo as running mate. Na so opeso say anybody odeni bedi na chi as running mate no onya problem. But if any of the 4 candidates aside Dr. Brian Champon omubi winia, any of them that emerges as the winner needs Dr. Brian Champon as running mate. And on a show wahano.
But on a more serious note, Dr. Brian Champon has pulled a surprise.
Seriously.
And surprise and also I guess surprise Kumao. A surprise I know ending.
Share the vote difference between
and and I want to say, I don't know. What are we going through the mind of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia? Say, Obepese, or the Matthew, Opoku Prempe, ebesa akobio. Oh, nada na meka abosere. Oheneyere, ana asere.
Oh, Prof Mensre, emema nesre.
Yeah, comparison.
Nyabotre. Den ti da asere.
Oh, na ade no wonsa sim na wani tuamu bia ye nyaw. Na wa wo hwa ye wura napo. Campaign ya na ekosoi. Wo hu ne pressing.
Oh, no ye campaign e wo ase pa o.
Na ase ho na ye wo he fa na wo hu ne he.
Na one te se no kase. Kane eye cabinet ana ewo ho. So am ko hia no mo fa adwen a. Nipa o kire na adwen ma hu se nipa we de na adwen ma bo be pa e chen de o makane o mo makane nyina no. Eye Dr. Mahmoud Bam. What is campaign kese? Campaign kese.
Adwuma na wo mo ye no, Prof.
Na hwe.
Na wo hwe se ye Brian champion forget about ne figures ya wo pull ya. I am surprised to all of us see. She said wetimi achi the whole country. Polling station by polling station. And I say constituency by constituency. Now we say ye Ranapo. Ya no agina home ya no.
Why they catch us watching?
Now we ba he
Debbie, you can't say that. Obi oho ani sika kasa.
Aha, nyesi kan kwa na ye de ya manyo.
Yeah.
Toda o twa nkwa adwabo ya na ngoma ko.
Good.
Okay.
Ma yengo tie de ken kan.
Yengo tie
ken ken nemra.
Come together as one people. And at an appropriate time, you see how things unfold. Don't worry. God will take care of you. God will take care of you. He knows today was going to come. We didn't know. But God that created us knew. Today will definitely come to pass. We have experienced that in 2023. So today is no different. So I'm begging you, stay calm. There's a lot of food. Go in there, eat. We have champagne, wine, beer. Eat what you can eat. And let's see what tomorrow has for us. Thank you very much. Thank
you. My SNT can be. I was say, I'm prepared for the victory party. Now they have food, they have champagne, they have everything in there. Munko didi namunum. Then shadi ochina. So ewo emaye. Neyesa yenko tie eye Ken ebium.
Come together as one people. And at an appropriate time, you see how things unfold. Don't worry. God will take care of you. God will take care of you. He knows today was going to come. We didn't know. But God that created us knew. Today will definitely come to pass. We have experienced that in 2023. So today is no different. So I'm begging you, stay calm. There's a lot of food. Go in there, eat. We have champagne, wine, beer. Eat what you can eat. And let's see what tomorrow has for us. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Sompa 106.5 FM in Accra, and again, Sompa TV. Yena yebeda mo ase mo amutie yeda mo ase mo amohwe nso yeda mo ase na ayeken ene yete se ye ebo no so mo amohwe mo hwe yen ewo TV no so no mo hu se emfunyi no yeyi ekire mo wabra ensem twerefo ebo piano no ensem a wo kan ye no so wo mo nko didi no mo nom eduane wo ho bibia wo ho ochina de ewo nyame nsem eni yen ensem Oheneyere.
Prof.
Yeah.
Na me ka say. Sika nko ano. Sika boa. Sika ye moja. Sa wo ya manyokuo na se sika ni mu a, you can go further. Ultimi ndru baby a. But yen hwe di say. Eye nipa ho asem na ye ka. Eye Ghana fo nyina so asem na ye ka. Enye se na free internal akwa external. Nia o mo free mu sesi ano internal asem na free Se no 2028 na ye external things na omo kwa akohia. Eti say obi a animu ya wagina bie. Wantena ne to so anka ne nsa nhye ne dem ni fam. Na wabo aporo watimi ne grassroots fo akwakodi nkomo watimi ne some of the delegates ne Ghana fo binum mpo a ebi mpo obunya amanyoko ne ma no wanya akonya no wo mu ahia na prof na obi emu ba akonya na aka kyeme se wono a otenchen a wono wa kwa baabi a chew animu ya asem na ye ka wono okọ ye na che na ye ka animu ya de ya current one and now say obi a ono wa bone brewie e wa amanyoko ne mu campaign time no na nanse no de no woni mu baabi a ye hu no na so nkofo no mom na emra as running mate and as a bia environment advisor as a bibisa dia eno de enyeye. And from how things are going, from how Oheneyere bright champion was your sprang a surprise e de ama ye nyina ye hu no me enya me nwanwa say Dr. Bamud Baumia e ka se wo kwa akofa no e de na ne running mate ya me it won't surprise me. And ebe buo manyoko ne so enye ase me want to because I me pentamo achi obi di ama obi. But from what we are seeing right now no every sabato we say no sa wonom fa Oheneyere Brian champion e de na ba be running mate e de ama Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. No matter how me ankasa matena sese aboye Rajon Dramani Mahama mampenya baso se wo ba ye na afibu ani na so no se wo hwesa ne ane masisi ato ne kwam a fuel ayatete so da no ada eye maami gift ifianu wonne na panfo ba ha se wo kọ eye flower sample spare parts wona se no masi atete ne amaso ene hawa etwamene buo bia na drivers no edi chat memufo ya wonum ya passengers no ya emra eye adwuma yewra etete yohonu ada roma wone ne mrantia na ka mo se samia esitie no wo mo fanto sanse ba bia esefata session no se wan fan hye wa efrito ya wo mo chichichi some of the drivers mo edi tememufo atwamene bo no wo mo chichichi wo mo ni ade a emra ya adwuma ne de se wo mo epe Dr. Mahmoud Baumia wait Dr. Brian Champion wa enya wanwa se no matter how NDC be ye adwuma no empo se wo mantimi anka se o mu tu wo mu a rerun betimi ababa tu no
asembe na okay oyeso
I am telling you I am telling you Ghana for asem na ye ka no na unim se Ghana for obi ho ahwinti wo mantimi no matter the fefe bia wa ye de ama wo no o betimi abobon galata koto baby
won say e ba na abato a ho niema bebre enekum one say Ghana for any da ho mu ye very very discerning
okay
untimi nya wa adwen say wuwunti no Ghana for beka say ye beto aba ma wo ade a wo mo hwe eye performance modern bo 2024 elections no ono sa man for bufu ipa because na niema nhye dan koye na niema ntwe ti Ghana for who say no say yansesem wani ebewu say MPP 2028 say MPP ebetimi esiakan a ebeye very hot 2028 certainly ebegina the performance of this administration so NDC for entimi and bombarding and go yeah then it means that Ghanaians will be looking for alternative. He said the Ghanaian voter very very discerning. This is Ghana for and this is Canano. Oh me NPP me NDC NPP chin and so they know twem. You better show performance your record economically a man for my head. I know they can Sompa. Apam another mekano.
Prof, udika. Wahunu say. The omwa we no. Sono enya adaje tena se strategize.
Sure.
Enti utie kan nkomo no a. Uno so omunnim se debit se ne ebeba. Enti no omo sesi wo ho asi. Na de omo akwakoyi ni ye sonofo na ayie. Eye de Ghana fo epa na
and also a question.
I need a question. The woman you know, when ye didn't come one.
Obetimi aboa
ma gabo no yatimi aklosu
Debi anaso omotimi awene
ana omotimi awene ma wire mfi se eba badwafie ho a mrase badwafie ho no Ghana eno na ye hwede to aba ne kasi o abai de na nke wose kwa enso parliamentarians ni nyina akwa akodi nti gise ye de ma wo mo saa
Debi eno so kana saa me ne wo nya adwe
prof sana ya bato no edu ba bi ni ye tuwie
okay
na se e ko run off no a ye hwe ba bi a parliamentarians na kodi kese
o ka run off asa
ni ye pia de ko
okay o kana saa me ne wo ya adwe
nti hwe na anu aba wo mo tuwie a minority no mo ye majority a wo mo wi teta ya saa word no teta mo wi kese wi yie
teta no eyetwi
wo mo wi yie ye ka se ye mfa wi en kansem a enti nkonwa pii firi wo mo nsa
no cray
sesei de aka ne se mo kwa kwagigi sa nkonwa no na so wo mo ete so no nti omo amomodin bia asem betimi age ne simple enti we a wo mo ato aba na wie running mate so hia papa
running mate
ehia papa if possible ko anka no so kro mo nkoto so aba na omunyi
running mate
ne Ghana fo epenka alaji ho
abe ongongo say running mate omo de call 2024 elections MPP mu no omo de sa running mate ne be sa ko bi
prof ensa bi wo ho ntime hono dokono nso etimi hwiegu
ensan bi e wo ho ntime hono dokono nso etimi hwiegu aso kire de sen
sansa no se wona wa hono dokono sesen na obedi bi no de nsa to mu a obehwi ato egu wo a wunni onzo a wuntime mani ni wo de hwe 2024 aba no
sure
enkomo a omudidi ye nyina ne nhiranka nyame se wiase na ya kurakuma o hwa bon se bloggers no o ma fa futuo bi a empanimfo de ma wo mo ebe kasa kese o campaign ase se mo mama no enya ne Ghana fo ebe to wo masom na monya de mo kokasa ma wo mo bua kwa kofuo o hwa bon se ye de a few moments later ne de abeto ho ayampi a wo mo kokototo ewo platforms akese so enti ebewie no wo chia so no enso no odi chini yenchia na echia because baby ese wonya adaje na wotena si follow na wo pick recite ma e kan katere maso na adwene mu no wonyo ne saa ba me abu submit no wakanzem bi kire o se campaign ya wo mu yeyi din a wo boy no no di na hin wakama hwan wota hwan achi ni nyina nso no wo mo esi ahene na omutu ahene na ehwe o na anu aba na omukoto ya yese apati si mu apati ne banso a implosion na ye adwuma eno kire se emu nkwa abonti ebugum na anu no a NPP fo na mpia nkwa nkoto aba na ye hisem bi ntira nti sabre ya wo mo ne mo ahwe agu o mo hyehye no ombese ashisha de ebububu na betete ho ana dabi afen na yeso omo hyehye ne ye ndi sabre no ye running mate ho adwuma yo wo mo nko drawing board no so enkonko tenase
no mo mfa dada na
no o say
dada na
omo mfa ngunsani ani na omo hwe dada no emwo de boa wo mo ma omo nya vote no bi kan ho ana se so te ye na fe omo mfa eno no enya de ebio Ghana fo na mo de saa mpanimfo ni nyina ba be kire won mo kwa koto abai me da me say utie Sompa ade bia ne ho pese o ya enye yie
sure
because baby a wo chia no wo mba hwehwe ahunu baby etene e de a kire wo so so wo mfa ho a wo mfa ho na wo kina be san ba be fa saa bia kro na enti utie nkomo na na amamfo edi a se o mo de we ba de a ene ye beto pa na mo so mo amfa we ama na o mo yese ya ene o mbeje ewie o mo sa ka se Dr. Champon ene we ne ya di obefa na ka ne ho bia na ebeboa wo mo pa ena ne obewe ne no so fa no a eno so beboa pa prof me ka se Dr. Champon ne nkasa ya na wode nam edu ba bia se wo poto bubu mu a obepoto abubu mu edu ba bia se wo kye ho ma hu se wo kye se wo ne wo ane nam a eno so wo ye ne saa enti ne akai no communication the
alright also wadwen kire a wo
the akai communication
denga communication
wonderful
kasa
sa enti de owo kasa de anobrɛbrɛ ɛma abaatɔ kasa yɛ
ɛnti no ɔmompa obi a ɔwɔ kasa
ɔbɛtumi akasa yie ama nipa akoma atɔ ne yam
te sɛ kane deɛ na
wo sɛ
te sɛ Dr. Mati
wɔn sɛ yɛwura napo ne nkasayɛ ghanafoɔ nyinaa yɛ awɛ baabi a ne wɔka kɔ
ɔmo yɛ awɛ sesɛn
sɛdeɛ ne wɔsi kasa wɔkasa wie a ghanafoɔ sɛ yɛ a na bakoma atɔ mo yam wɔmagye me so ɛyɛ ane
ba unim me no on sɛ campaigning wei nyinaa no
wote ne nka
yɛnte ne nka
mo
menim sɛ ɛnam saa ɛso nti no deɛ ɛsii ɛwɔ 2024 ne nti no yɛma ne kana no to mu
yɛserɛ wo ɛmmɛka bi na kyena nko
daabi saa na mimi hu no mimi hunu no sɛ
ɔmu nim sɛ ɔba ɔbɛtoto bɔmbo
ɛnti no yɛma no kana no to mu
mo
na opie baeɛ a ɔbɛka baako pɛ no ɛsi sɛn mame nkɔ ɛyɛ Obrempong nkyɛn
Prof, mekae 2024 campaign platform so ɛhɔ na wobɛte woto aba no ma nipa smɛsi na wato ama the opponent ne nyinaa delegate ne bɛhwɛ ne nyinaa Ghanafoɔ bɛhwɛ baabi a yɛaduru yi a seesei yɛgyae resource ne ma no because yɛdu bunum yɛntimi ndeclare nti na yɛmpɛ sɛ yɛbɛka ho asɛm but the future is unknown of which we all know that the future is unknown but sometimes you can predict the future say we can only share ideas and give our minds but as to say omobefa nkrofo bebree ewo trimupompo say they needed a new face near actually amabatu ni omatui near actually ekere say they needed a new face but the whole thing was that prof say kwa abatu oso na mesi asem we nyai kan kwa abatu oso na wono mu a ehyehyɛ adwuma na ma makɔpre abatu no wɔn koro na mu no more than 50% edika declared ya manipa baako more than 50%. You hear executives, you hear parliamentary candidates. Na emribi before 2023, na binumu declare for a particular candidate, no. Yet he say the party hierarchy, eka say, Omdumbeko disciplinary committee.
But Obia sending a message.
Okay.
I'll say I'm listening to your program. It will be suicidal for Bawumia to change Napo. Because, wait. Because Bawumia told delegates to send him again because all previous flag bearers were repeated. So, based on that principle, he too cannot be changed. Kojo Dankwa, which are quite Sunyani. Thank you so much. And then, Kweku Nipa was also sharing our Sompa TV. Kweku, good evening. Also, Echa Kwan was Sunyani.
Wow. Nia Kweku Nipa first Kojo Dankwa de bai. Ehona nka me de be wie kura.
All right.
Nti na ma menya ne fast forward na me nko hotel. You see, na no a eko enkansen aka. Wane Jerry John Rawlings no your vice president too.
With you.
Wapamo no. Eko fa Mills. Mills buy in 2000 Prof Boame Kakra. Why na ne running mate?
Oh, Mills in 2000.
In 2008.
No,
in 2000.
In the year 2000, was it Nayakana say when? Okay, no, you go.
But in 2004, and in 2008, Sanka, Mills in the ya repeat, almost repeating in 2000 on Ekufo. Almost repeating in 2004 on Ekufo again. In 2008, almost had a buy 3 consecutive times. But the running mate are not consistent. My name is Matia.
You go ahead.
Very well. Or changing candidate or changing the running mate, that is when he got power. That is Mills got power. Yanhwa de bi wa.
Amidu.
Very well. Martin Amidu.
Yanko.
Kufuor in before Kufuor kwade me pese meka Kufuor bebre. Say Kufuor de ode ayi ne ko Aliu Mahama.
Sure.
In 2000 they won. In 2004 they won. Nti me nkan ko bebre. Meka in this current dispensation.
And you know the analogy you are making and
Yes.
say wabra ye can man penyin John Evans and Tamils. Eddie Amidu Koye, Martin Amidu Koye.
In 2000.
In 2000, now I went to am performing. A whole NOE in this.
Very well. But the candidate himself was maintained. But we're changing the running mates. It tells you, say, sometimes a jack can be and semi or wha and one of the but it me you. Ain't you see, ask yourself why Ashanti votes a depreciate here once they have an Ashanti as running mates.
That could not solely be the factor.
No,
because 2024 elections, you know, I mean, you know, it was not about tribe. It was about economic issues. So what I say?
Prof meet you,
economic issues. You have to abania to petrol. Gas is saying. Echo. Dollar to the city. So what I say? That was the driving force for the change. And you know, we cannot say because Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempenapo at the buyer in 2024, because he was an Ashanti, you can draw the conclusion, say Ashanti for Tuabetiano. What's it?
Ukrumpete. Udi unamwa ebika. Ena se ekobasa ekonwato na abusuan wufiri mu no. Wo mu kere ya ehu se ye de wokọ na kuruma nyina beje watomu a. Ya wo awuhu. Nti babia abusuan na ofiri mu ba no. Wo mo kura mo nye wo so. Na bede na kuruma atimi age wo so.
Na wo ye de no hu se abusuan debi.
Abebebo akese a. Ana aburo na bebo akese efiri asase. Wo de hwe pa incumbency advantage. Babia wo firi kanokure pa aba wo muto ewom sana ye economic ne ye de economy no sa de na
me ba to for to mama
okay
Mr.
economy no ana economy no sa de na tie ne ye hwe so to aba de nanso say ye na babia wo fi no abosobo kase ye bo aboso de ta kira sa tie bia nka ne matime sai nanso wo babia firi ba no ho kura no wantimi amfa bia meka ho enti de na wo ho nso na asa behwie gu yi sa na ade ne ye no sa na ekoye
prof
enti wo de hwe babia na obrempong ye de ko eche se bra jeje wosesa running mate na wo mo de wo ba candidate na bai wo mo ko wene no hwe time a wo mo de owura matina mu Dubai a ekiri wo mo sesan ansa na mampani Mahama ene wo beye sa running mate no wo mo sesan niam bi ehwe se ya na kasa no eka ho
very well
wo mo se alaji de yeso ye bia wo ye nanso wo hia tachrema bi nso ebe ka ne ho pa na sa tachrema nso asem ni ho sa enne be boa enti me de Sompa ne tenase a sabi ayate se ofase nantin kro wa mia ne kase a ofase nan ete
umia ne kase
nso a wo kam na ka wo kam no ne nan na ayete no prof nka de wo ne ye ene mia no won kam na ne nan no kro no ngu na ho nto no wontimi nko adwuma mfa bibi mrafie enti de obese ya kan de ya kire onipa manual no wo mo de atomo ho Sompa aboso enti mokwa monko drawing board no so na wo de mo amonko tenase
eja me mo kakra wa ha she even before Napo was chosen as running mate na uhu ena ote enkrofo comment about Napo as a minister we were in this country ena na manfo ka and yen sentrefu yi
se du nso aba o se mo when mo kofa mo time table
exactly Nti obi hu ni say papa no asew. Ase why hantan.
Debi untimi kan sa. Me ba.
Ase. Ebinum asem.
Debi. Maybe to you say some of the key factors are Emma NDC show up strongly. Our Ashanti region. One, NPP voter apathy and low turnout. Amanto. Nyabotre.
Okay.
The most significant factor was dramatically low voter turnout in Ashanti.
Okay.
Only 64.8%
In Ashanti.
compared to 82. Nyabotre. Only, I take that again. 64.8% compared to 82.9% in 2020. The MPP vote share dropped by 24%. That is from 1,795,824 in 2020 to 1,366,800 in 2024. And number two, there was strong party organization and leadership. NDC for Bobo modern power when it came to that. So party nankasa bon modern in terms of say Grofano and showing clear leadership. That was where the regional chairman Augustus Nanakwesi was mentioned. And then historically, yakwa bakosam kakra. NDC, has secured 33% of votes. The first time since Rawlings era, from 1992 to 1996. And again, campaign strategy. NDC for Bob modern pa ukai KGT market. A idea that amount for share say NDC for eba bemua. Omo boa eya Asante for airport infrastructure na ewo ho no ni nyina nkemfo no eboa NDC for no ewo ho e kasa ba omo. Now my share issues regarding the running mates. Won't tell you. While Prof Nana Opokwajiman, who made history as Ghana's first female vice president, she actively campaigned in Ashanti. There was no specific evidence in the results suggesting she was the primary factor. In fact, some within the NDC had even questioned whether her selection would help, given she was from the Ashanti region rather than Ashanti region. This improvement appear more attributable to NPP voter apathy. And again, where do you mean?
Religion.
Religion,
but what
religion, the menka. But again,
there's a shift in loyalty now.
There was a shift in loyalty, but there, Napo,
Prof.
Yes. Asamesi.
Public statement and apology.
Why? Debbie. Why? Public statement and apology from why?
From Mamenko actually hold Mamenko boni panedi. Signed Prophet Bernard Nelson Eshen.
Wow. Now, oh, why an apology?
Mamenko content ni mana.
Debbie, I'm surprised. Why an apology? Because in prophecies, in prophecies, we have the perfect will of God, and then we have the permissible will of God.
True.
So what I say?
Yes.
Nyame to be yi bibi chiro. But among for the case woman now wasisa no did the open no at the amount. That is the permissible will of God. So what I say?
Yes.
And you know, so why this apology?
Yeah, some more.
Because there are two things: perfect will of God, permissible will of God. But El Bernard say many.
Oheneyere wa head the main kind of brofo.
Kind of brofo.
Ni amenya wa ha no. I wish to address the inaccurate prophetic declaration.
Debbie. No, I don't think so. No. Wait.
I'm doubting.
There, I'm doubting it.
I'm doubting.
Is it coming from a send?
No, Debbie, wait.
From baby, I didn't free ban.
Debbie.
Debbie. No, say.
No.
But
Debbie, nyabotre. I'll call El.
Because you see, I cry. My checking, me go checking the page.
Debbie. Because this one we don't even have to read it. We don't have to read it because when say amanfo womo etie yeng no mo hwe yeng no the value and treasure say information bia e de beba no very credible. I want the page 9 minutes ago. Okay, so let me also confirm it before we put it out there. Now if you have it, put it on the screen and let's see. So we can put it on our page. Okay, so maybe. So read what you have.
Okay.
But we can ascertain the veracity of this particular information. But we'll do a cross check and to confirm for you later.
Right.
So this one, you have to say a provisional something. So we'll do a check.
Yes.
So you know, what does it say?
Okay, I say, I wish to address the inaccurate prophetic declaration I made concerning the New Patriotic Party presidential primaries. Through a book, videos, and media interviews, I stated that Honorable Kennedy Oheneyere Japan would win the primaries and become the flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party. The word did not come to pass. I missed it. I was wrong. And I'm deeply sorry and I ask for forgiveness. Because I spoke publicly with prophetic authority, many people trusted my words. And some were affected emotionally and politically. I acknowledge this with humility. I take full responsibility for this prophetic word. I sincerely apologize to everyone who trusted my words and was hurt, disappointed, or negatively impacted in any way. I am especially sorry to those who made decisions based on what I declared. I do not blame anyone or shift responsibility. I accept that those prophecies I declared failed. Those prophecies as declared failed. This moment has caused me to pause, reflect, and realign myself in accountability and discernment regarding how prophetic revelations are communicated. I remain committed to integrity, growth, and truth. To all who were disappointed or hurt, I humbly ask for your forgiveness. To believers in Ghana and around the world who felt disappointed and wounded, I sincerely ask for your forgiveness. I offer my apology to any believer in whom my actions may have sown doubts regarding the voice of God and his ability to speak to his people. I am grateful to those who have corrected me and are correcting me in love, and to those who continue to pray for me. Signed, Prophet Bernard L. Bernard Nelson Ishan. Prof.
Bebacho, ukoni page one muna. Followers, do not send a follow no.
Okay, it's over 200. My main sign.
I want to be too sure.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okita 216,000 following.
200
with only 14 followers. On only follow 14.
On only follow 14.
But Okita 216k followers.
I'm also on that page. But
cut down kakrebi 12 minutes ago.
12 minutes ago.
Yes.
I'm also
with the same post, 794 likes, 223 comments.
Because I'm also staying on the page. But I am not. I'm also on the page. I'm also on the page right now.
Okay.
Because maybe I want to, but I'm not seeing anything like that. Maybe. So we need to cross check and to be double sure.
Sure.
Yeah, we need to be double sure before we put this. HTF would confirm this one to you.
Truly.
Yeah, because
Truly.
I'm also on that page. But Apam, let me ask you, if it is really true, say Prophet El Bernard Abe Pachawa, not necessary.
And no, boss, I say me to say a D4 na shenchen common ma woma the SC no and I said the Ebebu Babano emu woma na ebetimi aba say na no D4 bi wo chronum nyame ka kire say wonko kan kire Oheneyere say wo ba be wunti wonche na japade ema Oheneyere shedam sun bompaye ewie no nyame san ka kire say wonko kan kire say odi mfinhie du num aka no ho osoma ono a enti odifo Bernard media ya na mempese meka akọ adifo no nsem mu kura esan se tworo no ka se monye onyankopon ni na monye madifo nsunsun ni na toda
sure
ya na yese duanaba emihu
no krese wa pacho
emihu ni duako
be say no kre we are confirming it now no krese wa pacho
okay nanso kwan bi so no edu baabi a eye na enye etoda eye na enye
because
odifo no anyame soma no
mebo
wasan ka kire no ma ne san koyo nti we na enura anase ye hyase a ye tui na odifo ebe na de beto so se de misika no na no Ezekiel de na esi ye no nyame betimi ama asana dane nti se dane amoma ne nye monwa nke no nko na mo wo mato awi a wo hu se prophecy na ba mu nso eba mu a anka wo de atoto media dada se ye nhye ne nkonsha abo na amma mu nso a wababa pache no kwan bi so no eye se ba honamani a honamani de se ba ka se wadi tro kwan bi so nti anya mmam no de ba ne se ye so pache se firi nyame a ebegina
enchino overchase nkomhye we na mfi nyame
de mfiri nyame no ye nsan mewie mepa ho ache wo nyame nim ne wo ye ewie mu nye nyame sakrana
wa sa otese na make bibi se nkomhye no
permissible
permissible and a perfect will of God
nti we ye permissible nanso sanka ye no waka sa permissible will of God wo ho wan kan se no wo say
nyabutre apam nyabutre
obo word bi wo ho ma me ka say underline
debi onu ntimi nkan say whether say the perfect will of God
and
the permissible will of God
nti ko eso wo chibu sa
debi ontimi nchirem
sa
onu de osi de we hu no
nti ammo
no but amanfo no so wo mo pe no amanfo so ebi so bombai o delegate
the voice of the people is the voice of God
enti senyame se we na mo pe de a ena mo nye said the most prophet
nka nya bone o prophet de wo aboso nka nya bone na krata na o twere ye no hwe wes na ewom no wonim twere aye no mo kan te ase obrempong ase wo o yusu see where they be wo
o say I wish to address the inaccurate prophetic
inaccurate na kire sen
no awaji atum wa correct say he was
inaccurate wan hu ni ye wan hwemu ye
obetimi aka na say
wo prenta na be kan na nya sa na te wan kan ye kura inaccurate
I say going to the second paragraph
yeah nyabutre nyabutre ye nya so kwa sama mususu Oheneyere.
I'm not saying, or I don't get why I was say or tre sa anaso we yize bia menim se ne west na we yize ye no so na bia anko ye dia because he's not the only prophet obe prophesy say about this primaries MPP amanyoko ne ko here. Apart from this prophet Bernard Nelson Asemi Ayeken, prophet Kofi Amponsan so she be say ye wa Kennedy compre kwa Japan ebe wini. Enyo no kwa Bishop Obi ya papa wo atimatim kwa no so sa amamponten kwa no so. Wono so be ka bi. So say nipa miensa we say ai so for OP. Wono so em so wa Chama Junction wo se say. Atimatim ho na no wo. Ono so be ka bi. Enti no dia be ade 91 kwa be yi wani mu abesa yi su brofo sa west we ya say asif say Nyankopon flow one wa flow we. No, maybe say bia we say na wa hu ni ya na say bia enkom no na afem a enye say asem bia be kan bia wo say bem. Ye ni modifo bia. Prof. Ye Ra Mahmoud Baumia. Prophet Niger Gezi yankase papa.
Yeah.
O hyenkom say obewini. Enyo ono nko a yankase papa prophet Eric Boahin.
Sure.
Enso hyenkom.
Walasi.
Yes. Prophet Isaac Anto. Prophet Roger, Prophet Bismarck Nana Boateng, and na afen so no walasi a wo kan na asemi ka ho and na Prophet Kusi Apia. Won adifo makomako besenso and na wo mo kan se ba umia be wini and truly warene. But say ni pansu we say mu ano ye betimi ago back. Ebun kompa akoyechi. There are some prophecies be a so why you saw the Bible and Tiabeka say nene I say we are sorry say inaccurate prophecy what the Bible say. What do you mean by that?
Mami can I hear the perfect will of God? They permit. I didn't know see pa. You see, with the perfect will of God, it refers to God's ideal plan and purpose. Sure. It is the perfect will of God.
Okay.
And a permissible will of God refers to what God allows to happen.
Yes, we need a permissible will of God.
Sure. What God allows to happen.
Yeah.
So key differences in I say. The perfect will of God is what God actively desires. And the permissible will of God is what God allows, even though it is not his first choice.
Okay.
So much as say. Okay. So that is it. And the examples, or the examples, baby. So, have biblical examples. Israel demanding a king.
Prof, we was a Odifo Bernard, Utiwi, and some of the Krata Anaba.
Oh, sir.
Public statement and apology. Papa told them Kranza.
I don't know that whole.
Quite unfortunate. And I signed. Prophet Bernard.
No, Mama, young Copona, you know, no. Why I get what?
There be on your ketwa.
There be on your ketwa.
Be one from Swa El Bernard.
But the West now you see,
the choice of words are or the year statement.
West now you see,
I missed it.
I was wrong. I am deeply sorry, and I ask for your forgiveness. Forgiveness about what?
No West where you sue and semi contradictions and qua. Oh, you were permissible will of God. Nay, what perfect will of God.
In this way, this is a perfect will of
Anka me a kamen kwanka El Bernard beti mi akase. Bia de na nyame pe no. Fantastic. But nipa do no so e bompaye esugu nyame so. Ana nyame tie omo.
Oh, one tear some pen we no what content? What content Jan
but you free so why?
If you crane up, you trust the prophetic word and I say bia and come she bia.
We no it doesn't even go there. Safo letter the phrase. It doesn't even go there say. And was say then. Say you begin di anase ye engine di enu
Prof the entire because I spoke publicly with prophetic authority many people believed me
a prophetic authority ɛna ɔde kasaeɛ na ɔkasa wie no ɔno deɛ wehu no but amanfo no so akɔso agu nyame so ana am say so when na mo se mo pedia and them granted their mama prophet empacho touch not
prof you are not touching the anointed
please
oh can you see our say
Debbie wakasa wi enya manonko I don't want us to go
but there na kind na nka make can be at
okay but you
sir we are not touching the anointed yes enipa dodo na su agu nyame so ama nyame atie wo odifo ni sugu nyame so
point of correction and you mean I made no let me make a clarification
okay
and you mean I made say ha and I walk and I make say there no perhaps it could be the permissible will of God media in chiremu and I made the eba
unchiremu no and I made be twaso keke ni aye kan nyina no prof we akwa say court dan ho abobu ye kan enko ba bia ye kan he ya enti say if possible ana say empo say we no ebia asem ka say ne ye kan no ya nipa no mpo ne bia wo musugu nyame so ma nyame atie wo mo a ebra difo ne sugu nyankopon so ma difo kro no anu wode ne nkom hye ne ma no no wono anu wasan de sa nkom hye ne ma no say sign ko ka tell me 15 years aka ho Intinka ye nyankopon no betimi assign their fa the same channel.
Oh, they be sometimes it's difficult.
I get it. But ni nyina mu no look ekura wase waka.
But metie D4. That was where I picked this one from.
Okay.
Now as about D4 no kind and say. Hey me papa.
Okay.
Me papa Nigel.
Prophet Nigel Gazy.
Okay, Asembi. As about kind and say. Ken or you're destined to be president. But nipadudo na empe no. And I'm prophet. I said where I'll catch me no. Chemi and that was where he walked me through the perfect and then the permissible will of God. I say Ken, or you're destined to be president. So be a kasa. Say on your presidential material. Nipadudo or you're destined. Or you're destined to be president. But do so empeno.
Okay.
So God is going to maybe answer the prayer
of the people.
And
truly.
And Al Bernard.
That's our banter.
Let away.
Yeah. Professor Waka say no. Yeah. Free letter no na.
Yeah.
Now,
episode for enche yababo modern akọ. Join feed no war.
Asylum down.
NPP headquarters or National Party headquarters or na de etwegu ohobiano na ye dia brain native for minimum ka say be hu say engineer kwabra je Japan so kasa.
Oh, okay.
Enti no mesre ye nuanom technicians mu ye adom na yemfa live feed no emfri ho na yenti wo mososo no. Hi Sompa 106.5 FM Accra and again Sompa TV. And I will share. And very soon, no, ye the feed no beko eho na the course will be na ye the brain native. But Obrempong up so can
Prof. NPP for Akasa. Na in fact, from baby I yet see
NPP delegates Akasa.
Omo NPP for Akasa. Yet hey, ni Ebeka bi I say some powerful say. And so bia yen nipa e wodem hankwan na yakasaba so far as ye kan obi ti say some powerful say it definitely MPP for akasa and this is what omo choice no anya hwe ye hunu omo choice no yen ya yete ha idie ye hunu choice but ye nyi sa tumi no a ye de be kan choice na omo make no unless those that the power is vested in them omo akasa but of course omo choice a omo make nyina no me who say that is exactly what they want and exactly what they want to present to the people of Ghana as far as 2028 are concerned.
97.
Me, I am looking at one side of it positively at the NPP. The say yes omo akoyi omo flag bearer entem at this time. We are in January 2026. Yebekwa abatu also in December 2028. So approximately our 2 years, 11 months to campaign. Unlike previously, nanka omobewo ebia a little about 2 years or less to campaign. Now, omo person omo damage control of omo internally near omo aye ewo omo ho. In fact, enua de omo buru bi papa ene ateche omo de bia ye omo ho omo hihye mfita amanfo de omo nsa akado ne ka bidie ene wo ebinum de ayi reference empo a sa enkwan wo ankasa no de ka atade ma ne sie ya ene omo de aye nkrofo ntade m ebi kura de ne yesudi ntudi nu nsuo ma na cha ebetimi akọ ohwe engineer kwabena Japan mo ne Dr. Aduchumu a wo musudi ne kọ wo ntade m enti eno no ni sinya den but ohwe Dr. Brian Champong nea Mr. Brian Dr. Mahmoud Baumia nea afa ne ho from all the asnasa enkrofo ato agu ne so ewo omo campaign we mu a they will need a lot of time to come clean to Ghanaians. And the last time we can say we say nia omo de ye omo ho ewo omo campaign mu nyina no NDC4 are taking notes. Enra me ana me ne Dr. Papa Rashid Tanko computer ekasai he said say in fact media me hu say na ye agro say they don't even know say MPP4 to ababimpo. Meanwhile yegusu ayete ha na ene hu say omo kroma set collation center and they monitor MPP elections. Almost set up a coalition center. Omo they monitor MPP elections.
But I don't know kind na no kra.
Say coalition center. You see, bro, baby I yeti.
Manewie.
Say o say emfa wo ho na say empo allegedly. O say o monitor no. It means that o ni awa monitor no, o note a wa twuragu ho. Ah, no de beba be hia e wo general election no. E more than you can count. Na nsa no be damage control ni be wie no. Na fe wo mo present wo mo candidate na wo de na ebre yen amagana fo no. E ho na omo nso beba NDC fo ne ada political parties ni beba be ka kire say ah. Nye ni pass machine na anu wo mo kro ya ho. Obenten ka say ni ti achia. Asumasi be ka so no kra ne na mu abu. Ba ko be ka say ni sika nya mu kra mpo no nya papa. Ba ko be ka say no ma hyase bro mo nsem no. See eya no mo ka say me na me mo a obi na ebo wa me nyew ba say de wo mo koka onipa na obo wa onyew ne ho no ma bo sa no be MPP fo.
All right, ba me enka etie for say Macron Nigel Gazi aye ni Facebook page. Okay. Also pray for me why I stand for the Church of God any day, anytime, sir. Nigel Gazi. Also pray for me why I stand for the Church of God any day, anytime, sir. Mama go
ya papa ma yanchia
no. Nigel
ya papa Nigel Gazi ma yanchia no ogolo. Asemu na se no ho. Prof.
Yes.
Se eto de bia yem papa no modifo no me de se yewra is it Ankara ya wono na hwe religious know. Yes. Me de se wonom de mra bi baye and I appeal to them say wonom seek to it say sa emrane hwehwe ya womudi gu akwemo no ebeye adwuma because as a starting na but one sensama your friends a general election no 2024 no e ba ye akire no ne nsemo na ekoye ma me Jane na opoku agiman na ne ho mfa no hwe prophecies bi e baaye na maame ne kola dadaka mu na mommo mpa ye kosie ne ade na eno bi na ka ho anya me se ma ye papa na sa aban no e pausa ye friend is saying ekuo ni se wo monhwe na sa mpanyifo ni se wo monhwe na wonom enkasa mantete nye se bia hu ya na wo ba bonten e de aye professor wo hwe Jeremiah 23 Jeremiah 27 obeka chiro sometimes senia ya na ye papa binom no wonom pentem e bra be hye nkom no wan hwe abeka se Nyankopon soma wonom so otu amnika no aba be hye nkom enkom a ye nsoma wonom no aba be hye all because say o dey perfume enti se wo pese wo ye fame a perfume wo Nyankopon anim ye papa no modifo no we respect you a lot Nyankopon na ayi mo se mo meya kandifo na monhwe nwan ya wode ama mo se monhwe so no na to da bia kwan ya na ye papa no madifo no bi no e fa so hyehyɛ nkom basa no e ya na ha adwen because opedi age because nipa ne ba ban mu definitely wono so ye be promoting ni ade eti ye be sere wonom mo ye adwuma pa no mo nkoso anye but eya me de se ye papa ankra time a wonom e pause abedweko no mo se se empo no wonya nkom hye bia empanyimfo wo ho fabra na wono mo ntena so no mo nhwe se wei ebeye so beba public aba beka anasesen eto da bia papa no mo bebre mamenchia me papa Reverend Apostle Frank say Victory Charismatic Chapel ya no e kwada so estate police your friends say please for you know please depo and I say police for more hospital no mabie no enche wa na yebutuo sometimes obehu edi ye nsem bi dia fa obehu edi ye bi dia fa but never saw ba begina bonti and I say wa ba sorry dem na wa ba beka yeti bi fro kwakwam ni abo ho mpa definitely ade no so bebe mu ampa eti anya say wo ba bonti aba beka na be bibi na wo ba betwe ho eno nkrata na videos ni zoom ni ade na ni eye fine e ba sorry dem kra betimi aye and not necessarily say bia yem na bonte na nsem bi say no wo a yemeye we respect them a lot and enye easy say wo be ye Nyankopon adwuma na edin eti sa mo fa to me ho so sa na ya na omo makwa amane ma nketenkete bi sa no emetwintwom na wa hwe beka say bia nyame mfra wo so bia duli nyame afro bate bia sam na okan say de wo chechire mu e na bia nyame e na pele
ba be no akamen kwanka I thought say letter we every El Bernard who I buy no it was too early.
Sure.
Nanka also anko train kakra. Nanko so train kakra. Apama mintie we.
Asamba nya abotre. Nti nka wose na onya abotre. Na ye ma yetiefu nyina mu no. Na me koso asa aka kire omo se nyame no ayetoda omo de ne hyehye nkom no. Omo nka ehunu se enye omo nko adea. Nyame no ne ebinom wa apam dada. Esansa mi so ne me wa apam te toda no omo ka na me hu se ye kan nsem bi na ye ka de atia nyame aminim no no a na ye me ya pa. Na prof we nyine chi no a ye ka no saa enkom hye asama ye kan nyina no anwumere ma me ma nananom amu me nchia nananom ye pa ye nananom akomfo wo mo na ye wo mo de wo hwe se wo hwe twro no mu a saa bre na na nkom hye ba no utie de ewura ebisa free yankra no e kan ye wo emra wo mo hye ye no mu no a kane ana nkom hye ba no na ye mfiti preko adifo no nka ne saa wo omudi kan ka kire mpanimfo bona na amane enti obobona na amane no na na abusa senti saa no nyame se ye nyeden emu bi na David mo timi sunsuan wo mo ntare mu no nanso enne de ya me mahunu ne de ase obi ade pe dingie enti ye na menam di kan
Unim Anthony Kabo ka asambi na na mitie no network bi so
okay
asama Anthony Kabo kan ne de say edifu ebi mu ho a ye ni omo na ye adwuma
no correct
ye ni omo na ye
adwuma hyehye
ne ma ni bi ho a ye nyina nim say amanfo yo mo researches we a
no correct
no mo bata ebi no bata researches ho no mo de be hyenkom Anthony Kabo e ka asam no but we don't want to believe say we don't want to believe.
No,
Yeah, yenim so mu ye difo ye ji omudi ye beko so a aji omudi
Prof.
Yeah.
Ebi mu wo ho a wo mo no efre nyame but wo mo meka da say ye fre nyame say because ma koho minim say de ho nkomo bi no mote da be na what say muslimi fo nkremofo sheik bi na imam bi aba bonten na waba be ka asem say prof ya utate wonderful nanso say wohwe ya nananom akomfo a bi wo ho na wo mu di nna say ye di foku akomfo a mbeba no edu ba bi na se bibi besi a bra wo mu kom no wo mu timi ye kura ye ho apaye nti say me na akomfo bi na hye nkom ka say a ma wo so wo kom nti wa same nkom a eye nkom hye na de wo ye nyame sofo wo nkom nanso yesi sunsum ba ne so e wo ha na ate prophet den ha nyame won kronkron oh niam bi wo ho a sesei mframabo akokoto ada ho enti wo de etoda mo satemamufo no mo hwe ba bia enkomse no enam man na ate won ankasa kura hia nkomse hia konkyere ne mpaibo dima enso wo de ha na se adwene ne mmaso na mom enya duru ba bia eye tafire musuo antaye ya ebebutua na eno ye se ho nkomo na so wani abre dendende de ho atoso womoma ya nhome kakra na omun susu nhunahuna nipa na nyankopon yensi na atwetwe.
All right, Abusafo. Abusafo, Ejebiaro, Yabadan ni ako. The party national headquarters. Ewa salam down. Na yakwakofa de AC wo ho nyina e de abre. Ye ne tiefo ne yahwefo. Mo abohwe wo Sompa TV e da mo ase. Mo amoso amutie yen e wo Sompa FM ewo bebia wo Ghana ha mu nyina so. Ye da maseda Obrempong na person ka bibi.
Prof, 21 minutes ago. Mensuma Bawura the throne of grace.
Are they?
Now me throne of grace in your Facebook.
Okay.
Prophet Nigeria.
What's it?
Big win for prophecy.
What rubber?
Oh yes. Zafafato Sumami 21 minutes ago.
Oh, 21 minutes ago.
In the time now Okasano na
I'm so not.
Na me check you Big win for prophecy. Prophet her screen is.
All right, so wait. Big win for prophecy.
Very well.
When God speaks through his prophets, it is done. It is a done deal. Prophet Nigel Gazy prophesies Kennedy Japan's massive loss to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Prophet Nigel Gazy stood firm in the face of ridicule, trolling, and criticism when he prophesied Kennedy Japan's loss. Fellow prophets rubbished him. Online haters dragged him, but he knew God has spoken. For he is God's servant for your good. But if you do wrong, be afraid, for he does not bear the sword in vain. For he is God's servant, an avenger who carries out God's wrath on the wrongdoer. Romans 13:14.
13:4.
13:4. I beg your pardon. Prophet Nigel Gazy, you are a true prophet of God. Your gift and anointing are undeniable. The accuracy of your prophecy is a testament to your obedience to God's voice. Continue to speak life and turn truth into our nation. Fulfilled. And is this signed by Nigel Gazy?
We are the official Facebook page of Prophet Nigel Gazy. Prof.
Okay, also hashtag Yehovah, hashtag prophecy fulfilled, hashtag prophet Nigel Gazy, hashtag highly esteemed.
The highly esteemed prophet. Yes. Papa, Prof. My main concern.
But was this message necessary?
Papa, one
maybe simple question.
Maybe. I'm just being diplomatic.
Sure.
We pass them. I was trying to come on. Prof.
Yes.
Say Senior Prophet Najegezi Diabe.
Yeah.
Senin so can be. Ena amamu se obi kan bi a amamu ya. Anka ono nso Ghana fo bedi natem. Ena bra wo kan ye no. Prof, me all kana me wo ho. Even 31st nkomhye a wo hye na me wo ho.
No, sorry.
Me say na me wo ho. Me kwakwampoma. Ne 31st December 2025. Na me wo Prophetic Hill Church.
All right.
Enti ni akọ so ho me hu ye. Committee bi. Se wo kan ye. Enti se amamu a bi anka mesa akọ no ho kan papa na eba ne sen.
Na say Prophet Nigel Gazy, ebi anya prophecies a odi aba nyina na abem.
Metwase ye. Eno nti na ni post no osan refer yen readers ne say. Share second paragraph no. Prophet Nigel Gazy stood firm in the face of ridicule, trolling, and criticisms. Yes. Enatie, onwa ne nyonko asofo ni bi fellow prophet rubbished him. Online haters dragged him. Me, I saw
but you see some of these things. Me and Papa no, but don't any kwanso no so the way.
Me hu ne say.
There, Debbie, please. Don't any kwanso the way.
Well,
me hu na make chance do prophet why? Don't any kwanso. Yeah.
Oh, there is our managers of the account.
See, I'm saying, AB crowd managers actually.
No, on his account and on the on his web.
We say any free Prophet Nigel Gazy. Send a yes in account in
yes, the official account.
Any free, you know, but all the same. Why are dear? Why shall come mama nabem and where you one person another one prophet Yabeka say ne prophecies woman no media to me no more na ya dear ebem
Prophet Nigel Gazy.
Prophet Nigel Gazy. Yes, concerning 2024 elections, how I will see prophesy.
Oh, and then even going back, even going back, other previous elections.
African countries, outside Ghana, Krampon, or yeah.
Many upon Chicheku ending common a member also. Abotchie upon Chicheku. Upon what I'm out of Benka. Metonka pa na sabre ehin na ogina.
Abotchie make say a MPP headquarters and a 1 year Atalanta.
Okay. Then I go so.
Me da say. Abotchie yenya ni a DJ FP ewo FPP amani woni. Na kase ha no say na M24 transit and show me the activity say ahanu no na edije nyina ebeko so ewo na omagina so no madi your declaration na party ma ahokeka ye nije asese wo mu nyina no enam so ababe pie mu ewo headquarters and we say Abotchie edanso me nka pani bi wa ha no say ye me omani nkomotiawa enche edide ya ene abai opani yam akwa ba Sompa no bebato be wada homa yes no prayer we ya pia kakra bebato be the response for agaso
Abusafo we dey bo fanchen ye hwe se ye nsa betimi aka eyo opon Chicheku bia na ye no atoa ye nkomodie no so live here or Sompa 106.5 FM in Accra. And again, mo sharing with Sompa TV. Moso yabeda ma se mo sharing na munje bre na Sompa ha no mo ya election house ya bomoding a resource no ya provisional resource final one no ya de betu jaba ma menko quickly na many upon into us.
And then the MPP Uchen is contest here now. Currently, Uchen projected provisional results now. But now, party, one big party.
Upon what I'm a all right, line as article today, yeah, say, Obama cancer bua, na yenatua, young comodian so, I was Sompa 106.5 FM, you know, yeah, she said, you upon a betwaso, and Timbacho.
Almost a moment in 92 days, would you say, MOU, I am 24 months, I'm a woman, such as you know, no more channel.
Memorandum of understanding now, before more time. Yes, time for a rating because yes, share. You know, party back that's a Congress now. We are coming in say with election, no division, but my idea that every National Council for a memorandum of understanding. Moment you almost signing here, say the dear about all of the Copia will be other. It's a projected figures, no provision results, no HSA, AED. It's a Pokudam in Akata, Omakase, Kasomakasama, Akuma Abafem, Amayamu, and Kabum, here, and I never was a Kaibum, 2028 election.
And also to the former member of parliament, Iraq is in a HSA, on no Brian Camp. Were you shocked with how Brian carrying this particular election?
Oh, I'm not shocked about how Brian is carrying Osha. Brian Chamboy, first time come up in a Waba first Waba contest. But provisional results now. Why are they but female fully with bar? So I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised at all. And the Abotchie Empire said to see every year. Provisional results, my clear direction of how things are going. Come. The baby's opening and I am one as party back. That's the focus to come to the National Council. Primaries in them and everything national reconciliation. After one boom, now say, yes, I'm come by the heart. The annual primaries and to be family, I'm a MPP and I didn't put him. The primaries, MPP of Sonoko Kwama and I didn't put him. That's the man. So, everyone will talk about Echo Edema a year, example. Yes, you know, Abotchie, let's watch one.
Yeah.
What I and electoral commission about the same headquarters to say nothing. One more any a year Ghana Quantasa almost a year apart from the Moon at the about the two law. In the only idea, the one who say, yeah, you are a year and you want to be after about 1 or 2 years, no more what make a fair Mukuzu. At the top of what we said here, almost awesome. The woman in a chain. We didn't say ever. A year Dr. Haji Muhammad Baumia, or not so ever became our hand we say, and you all the 5 aspirants national. Almost me, Abba the PMO, our hand we say, near or what and the better take it bold decision. And they are about 1 every year, Peter Watson Echo. Now, here will be a 2028. What I am or Kukasi so many months.
A bunch of you, you better say, but I say, one more and say, any chair, I do no Bashas, a war, a year party headquarters. So now, you better say, would you when you be Bibiato for my, yes, no, say, Bibiato for my, I am, so anti. You better in studio, Hana, Yenny, 1 year, Wahaso, Atwaso, now Sabri, Mamiko, Oheneyere chain, Oheneyere, say, Musa Dankwa Pusa, or ye. Sir, Ode to 2 AC one. This Musa Dampon 13%. Even though we have not had the final provisional results out of years, you know. Would you say, sir, Musa Dankwa ne pusa aya or accuracy, you know, aya na is nearing 100%.
What do my slow brony? O share your Musa Dankwa. Sunny and Pempi Nano or de ni figures to dwa concerning elections ni ade ne ho no. Or ye na analysis na onya botere ekɔ down na woni nipa ekasa na obisa bisansemansa na wode ho nsunsuaso na babonten so se wahwa numerous eya wode aba abonten ni nyina no meme hu ne se anytime bia no se wanya no 100% krampo no a best 95%.
Because normally no oba margin of error plus 3 minus 3. The margin of error every time piano. We won't say the all can piano a folly within it.
Sure. And we show we ya oma ye rubber we 57% na. Out of the 277 na yenye 202 no. Almost na ye rubber we 56 point something percent.
Sure.
Nessa said ni nyina no ekafu a
It's
folly within the margin now what the margin.
Sure.
Sa amono so kakra krampo na ebegina ho no. Enti ye ramusa dankwa is one of the one ye say ye keka ne mercy ne ye predict ebia results ne ade wo dwumedie bi especially wo share elections ne ho ne ma na why one person as a wo yi wonum nimde efasa enkontabo ne emu empensempensemu na untimi nyina kwanfan free month is one person was on my Ghana ye sonimo nipa bi se na wase ye sonimo na eto da bia wan se ya na kane no ye wasi esi wo ho se wo ahemfi ana se wo ben ye ahemfo na so wo mu bekokon krampo na wo mu ko bisa se ekun ya ye bekoi ye bedi nkunim ana se bi e bedi ncho enti ohene bi wo ho antokwa ba na kofo no ne soldiers ne pressure say omien kokon no but ono so insist say we are not going to that war tieto bi kra no mo buafu ohene ne but omo nim say bia wakwa akobi se akire wakobi se akire hu sa de na wokono kwan kuguodie ebe kode amane nti no onkodi ntwo enti eba so ma ye nyina ye ne wo mo nkasa bibi no mo pa ye fama wo mo no mo nkomo baabi enti one of the CSA at the moment no Ghana meka say ye benya anase yenya ye kita esisi a wase ye bo ho ban no one of them nene ye ramusa dankwa
only the enye say
we see I'm telling you
oh no scientific sia
really scientific sia okay scientific you have added the sia to it so
baby,
be say
or ye nhwehwemu or the data original data so and or the ye nhwehwemu you know, o kind of say na mfanto ho na o de ye e de Bible mfanto ho de to ho no I don't know they are spiritual seers so but Musa dankwa e be ka say physical seer
or physical seer prof na then na can say e to da bi na say bi abatu bi ba say be yi a wo no nkonkobo ka hu no say ya amanyoko ni musika kakra mo de bom ho bra no no makwa akwatam ye de kwakwa ye run ye de kwakwa ye say sometimes no say ye kwakwa nyimfo bi ti say ye ramusa dankwa wo mo futuo ni ade a megidi ye say e ya ade anke be save a lot of amanyoko no ne wo musika sem na e ye mpempi na mo kotugu e ye mframemu ni nti no ma meka ni so ye sia because ye wo ekokuo ni nipa no binom so a wonu mo ye de ye ramusa dankwa enso ye bi enso na be wi eche na omo ne number bi ete said the prophet bi ne na ne number bi sa na ya netie obi wo ho they try and error and they dijuma some of the doctors when you go to hospitals omo they try and error na fe etomu anatom say wa ya de enso no so bi ahwe e na ye sa na prophet ne bi te sa so e na wonom so omo dijuma te say ye ramusa dankwa no so omo dwuma die ni setie omo kɔ ekoye nhwehwemu ba nhwehwemu no onfansi ase enti Yero Musa dankwa you obi a credible person yebeka say we sia in our time yeah so my Ghana and teaching politicians no
or election seer
yeah okay yes so muso ni mu ye wo pe bibi adwenkyere bi akọ wa ya bre wati a wati fie akọkora sana adwenkyere say ekun ya mi kwe wo sa abato we se mi
election seer
menya baabi agina menya baabi nyina ma me nkọ bre me ho nya ade
election seer
me da say
Apam Dadaa Obrempong
prophet prof
hey oh there be enyenwanwa
prophet
there be enyenwanwa because the prophecy hu afame
yeah
And young one was one day making a pulpit.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Sir, Reverend Eli Agbemeti, Mama Mana Mona, Reverend Emmanuel Sapon.
Okay, that's
fine. Ya sofo more on Kranza.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Na sofo fear no tomo. Dear ya boa kwasi nyina no. Musa dankwa ebiama ne sia. Na ebi nso aka sade wo si kan nyina pani enye de edi kan ni. Waye baako, waye mienu, waye miensa, waye na, waye num. Ye pa ye be hunu nti ene ye kyekere boa. Ne nyina nso no woka ya na se anya pepepe kura na eno na ben. Sade wo si kyerɛkyerɛ ye. Me hunu se engineer man 0%. Ene se isi nyan declare ye kura anwie ye no. Wo hwɛ ba bia wo mo de dade ye a. Alleged de no 57 na wo de man no wo boboba. Ayere so ani nyina mra nwie na ne 67% no na atimi aye ho. Me hu so ma ye wura kan so 20% na 20 ho. Ana sa 20 we sisi wo hwe ba bia owura kan wo no a 25% no wanyen o ma ne 28 nso wanya 25 nti aka 3% na wo pa aka ho ama etimi ayede wo hwehwe no ebio hwe sade osima Dr. Brian Champo wo ma ne 13% na so hwe percentage wise na owura Brian Champo wa huru atra 13 no ama enya nwanwa se ebi kura na 28 no watibi watifa ena 57 no nso watwe kakra ye wura ditwim wa ma ne 2% aha wo kura 1.10% enti ni nyina amra ne se emmesoso no na 2 no anuru kura na akaketo abi na aye ho enti we no se ne die oye ni prophecy anka sabre ukọ na asori page a apaja because die wokan na bem ne mo wanya ne nkomhye ne die no woye ne analytics or predictive na prediction no ye different from prophecy. The ma prediction ye different from prophecy no. Prediction ye say amamu a asem bia nhye de ni ho osusui se ne betimi aba na ama ne sa na mom prophecy de na de nyame aba behim nyame se abre bia na onka hwe sabre kura no na de mo dwene ho no na adwen kura ni ho nye ho kura na oka enti Musa dankwa ya bebo na baso nanso we no nso ma ne trimu nya ne de sa ya bona baso kaso ne predictions ye ebokotodwem na de enya mamu a asa ye de utrimu ye ode no obese ye de ye nkan kura timi kaka ho enti minimum sa global info analytics de wo mo enya ansa enti eno na wasa wono ma aka no nsunya enti me de bia me ka se nyansa ne de obia hia bidia wo ye bia bone kura na abedie ese onya ho nyansa na watimi adi na udi wie nso a ho asemba wo nya ho nyansa etime de aka akwakodem ana asa wo de defend ho enti nyansa ne de ehia pa eni me mfra ne nyansa keke waka se bia apam se wo munim nyansa eyese wunya ansa na ne abeye bia wanya enti prophecy no ansa na abe prophesize no no what the kan age predictions ahodo no na they compare njo de compare na se ene odai na wo so ye no ana na ye flashy wani so a wu ne se nyame na akasa no ene ne ye pepepa eno wasa make reference se enye nwanwa nyame wo yi kira ne ye so wasa no nenso wa yi a kire mi wa yi a kire global info for kra mo nso kra ya analysis e de aba beto.
All right, and you know, I was for Andy check.
Yeah, bona baso. Nemo prof, omonya prediction. Ansa me yehunu se global info for. Ghana no. Babia ye gina sei.
Yeah.
Eye ni. Eye. Ya ye betimi adi ho adanse a kire se wonu ma ewom no ma wo mo ha ho kura anya se wo mbetu kwan. Wo mo ewu akwantuom no so kura e be ya wo mo mra esan se fia ye de. Na wo mo ma bo am ye nchekere. mama no nko nanim ti sa predictions no so no wonye me enhwe
all right
Ghana no e wo nine papa gina so a
o de bate abusuafo enche ye be sorry so but the sesia no ye twen say ye be call ye Fredison MPP womo headquarters so na yakwa kofa live feed no e de abremo because ho no Electoral Commission for be declare Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia winner for the 2026 primaries for the New Patriotic Party in Tiabeko. Now, Obrempong na person bibi.
Yes, in fact, na menesa for adwuma bi wa ha.
Mathematics bi.
Aye. Na with Musa Dankwa prediction of the buy.
Yeah.
And ye figures bi a
Makeka
bomo. Sure. No. And to be emphatic, say a provisional.
A provisional, that's fine. Very provisional.
I just want to be emphatic.
No, because you cannot declare final results. You don't have the power. It's only the Electoral Commission that has that power.
As it stands,
sure.
Kennedy Akompro Japan, 40,818.
But I'm just afraid about to a TV and a screen.
40,818.
40,818.
Representing 23.54%.
23.54%.
Yes.
Okay.
Dr. Brian Champon, 33,135. Representing 19.11%. Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu Bawumia, 97,438, representing 56.18%. Dr. Yao Osei Educhum, 1,674, representing 1.08%. Engineer Kwabena Eje Ejapon, wow engineer.
Wow, engineer.
321.
Oh.
What 10 in 1, 2, 3?
Oh.
0.22%.
But way a provisional figure, sir. Yanka Sanki say Yashishawaha, I was Sompa.
Yes.
Ya train say Electoral Commission for Ebert Kasa. Lady, I took 2 years in home. Yeah, I say, but yes, we had your margin of error be man.
Oh, bro. The only margin of error.
Yeah,
near Electoral Commission. Yeah,
okay.
And only a margin of error.
Sure.
And see, Enche, Augusto,
David Tijamotre, yeah, him say, Enche, everybody die screen so. Am I share a year, dear, Sompa for so yes, we are share. That means say, I share for Mushin, I had almost say. Mo amutie nyina so ye da mo ase fiti anopa mo tie yen mahwe nsa fiti nra mo tie yen mahwe nsa etiro ya ye da mo nyina ase se moguso amohwe but the NDC ye be call Electoral Commission for akachi awo NPP national headquarters so na nsamo a ekoso ewo hodo na ye de abre yen ahwefo no ye na tie de tiefo a womo ehwe yen etie yen ewo Sompa TV ewo Sompa FM 106.5 ewo enkran ha womo so womo hwe yen abato yen enim omamu nyina enim so once again yen enim omamu nyina enim so once again Sompa 106.5 FM in Accra. We are grateful Sompa TV and so no would want to say sir we are grateful to our viewership and to be our shame biano. Quickly, Safo Eddie to justice here. A bit bled for us, but let's see. That is it. And then Pachamoko TV no the figures are there for you to see and for you to be a partaker of what actually the case is as far as the election 2026 to elect a new flag bearer for the New Patriotic Party for the 2028 elections. There we have the figures over there, and you can go over there and take a cue from it. And Apam who figures, no, no, Becca.
Na, they say, Pema or more Pemaco. The Aka actually, yes, or Monsisi or Monsi, if you say. omunim da fie wura na eba na mom 2028 no se de wo makwakoye ne nei ebetimi afenihye ne ho de a na de wo mokọ dem no wo makwakoyo sesie eye wo mo ho aduro na yeso wo mkoyo de nanim aye bosan bia no ebra so se mo be cancel ne ye ene na kasa sabre enye obesie me na madi nkunim enti se wotie reporters no a shagi de odifri tachiman baaye no wo kire se ebinum kotu pa da kora me wie hom kasa kire hom so munyai esan se ye NPP na adi nkunim we no wen na ben nim ena lose aben nim eye sono no a enti de aka ne se wo mbe kasa ye na fe firichina ko enkomo na ebeba no interviews ahodo a eba no enkoye se mfonso we ba ha ena ye sei afi na omo bisi omo ntoma gofi e de ahata sabre de ye nka bomu adwuma ena wo so omokoyo de waka asema atia no ntia wontimi mfa bone nche no enna ese wo fa we se minsa ubehu wo mo a wo de wo mbe kọ ne nchen ama wate wase wo hwe na enhwe na kasa no nso ne ka be ye odin a na de abefa sompa so esan se sompa de wo de fa ha ina se kasa na nye de kura wo mbe ka chose da bi we kwa bonten moa ama watimi aka ne ye enti eno no eye de ye da bi we kwa bonten moa ama watimi aka ne ye enti eno no eye de ye hwe animu de wo ma ye ni sesei no delegates munwie yo makwa yi de mo hwehwe de isi beba be declare ni sesei a de mo koye no de mo ye na kokoa mu a na mo wi asie no adadi
babisa ho se de mo akoyi ni no eno na Ghana for pe a
question ena Ghana for pe nti eno na sesei aka se mo kwa akotena se na fe mo hwe bra na mo kọ no mo keka fi bi bata mo amo ho de ye nokre mo hu kwa mbefa so ambeba be yi anu ye de enye nokre mo me kire se we na ye politics na ye nti no ye di ntro sei ka ho esansa politics no mo se ye ntro kakra nokre kakra na mo edu ba bi ana ntro no ye dodo se nokre
why na kansa
o mo ta akeka
atisem a wate no
ai o mo ta akeka se amanyofo na akeka sa ansem ni bi pen nti eno no se ukọ media no so a o de ya obeta atete bi nti eno no mo asha se entoma na mo ye ni fin no mo amu ba besi mo ade se mo amu si a if you report your own bad news first ya na eden se obi beka bi ato so wa wade fin na ehye no wa woto ade no udi kan bo a de ono wo ba bekon no wadi kan de ba bi a obetimi de adi watamama wa hojo nyina atodwa awie enti de obeka bia unim dada wo wa no ye eno na beboa won sabre no enye botomunam ende odi agro betwa wonsa sa apati na esi na anu bi no a wo mudi ntwowie ya na omode omani bregu Ghana fo so abra anya Ghana fo na ye hwe so no fo na ye no eno na sabre e wo se omokoko ye ho adwuma mo akoto se yese ye ma obibi ansa woto se uyi uyem na koto ya wanye hwe wato awie de aka ne se wo mo e wase ho no mo beka bibi a kire wa ma wo mo hunu die nti a mokoyi die mo yi no communication na yese me communicate ye yese enkasaye no ekoyi na de ye ka no soro because mo ye ne top to down
all right
de omo ka no soro ho no down ho nso beka the same na mo man koye se wenum na eka we na wenum so ka we esansa na no de no ye hunu ne se ebi ye meeting obohu se na adwene ba ho no na ye ni sika na o ba ho ana se ebi ana nsesa bi ntina meti ka se ma me coins na je paper enne ma ya na driver kasa meti ho nti eno no nso no ya de a ehunu se na ye ntie odi a de na che se ye do ba bia o ma hyehye du no obetime e de pegs na besi ani sate bia be square pegs in round holes nti se o mo wie ni sade a de aka ye fie adwuma o mo nkoye ni ye ba bia makeka ko ni nyina
na ko hwe se de enkomo ni bi ba ye na nkekawa aba eye opinion na wo mo yi ni na sankekawa no sankomo no mo de no mo yi efiri
prof ese o mutimi o mo na ka o ma de
key one
de wa mo ne dan
me ba so key one. The last year, Ken, Erebe Jabe Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. He's a liar. Or you'll be a chantro, ditro. Sankeka one. Ombeye deng enwe ye free Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Enti ya edu baby I say o gugre kra na bona pedie wodi ntra na say din naba. And the omo kekan ya na me manya da janko.
But we no yeah eno ye nyina ye nya da janko hwe. But we no aye.
The omo kan
enti party ni.
Prof na me say. Wo mo say amanyofo ni bio. Say amanyo say mu de. Ya ntro kakra. Nokre kakra. Na to da ya na ntro no ye dodo sen nokre no. Ghana fo nso say wo mo pedi odi nokre. De wo ka nokre. Na obetumi aka nokre a kire won. Enti aye say omo ntro na omo ka no omo ehu nokore wo ntro num.
All right mame na wase na menko eye Oheneyere mamenko so na menchia eye techiman for banyana tie se wo mutie empa Coffee B mame enchia Coffee B eye nsonchuro ni a o sports journalist a wo eye Classic FM Coffee baby o biara mechia acha fire mama why Fireman kope. Hey, fireman or presenter. Hey, fireman or presenter.
Okay.
Oh, Classic FM Sports. Any Moses Agana nyina. Baby chawo. Oheneyere. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia a delegate yakwa koyi no no. Oye, the Ghana for hwehwe no no.
Sane MPP for no muso mo pe no. Eno makwa akoyi no. Enti edru 2028 abato no a ehwo ne yebehu se na oye obi a Ghana for ehwehwe no ena MPP for delegate no ekoyi no ana se bia o mama Ghana for ense foma na so o manka se de o mo ho abro. Prof the American nyina ne se wo hwe Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia one word the omode atag no eye humility ahobrase. And me was short advice be the man. Oni womo a womo kwa akansie no. Ene mpanyimfo ya wonom ewo amanyoko no nyina da. As omode humility atagi Dr. Bawumia ne de no ono so aye winner no. The winner should lead with humility and those who did not win should be treated with respect and inclusion. Se wa win ye wi a e was others na wonom anwin no. You must treat them with respect. Anase bia wudi obuo ebema wonum enkase na me na ma we ni afena so techi my south the AC wono empanyifo ne yade paasan se eye efia konwa na ato ene ye kopre enti we se no enya ade a obi adi nkunim na obi abi wom enti empanyifo na wo wo MPP me wo techi my na womo eshate da womo a na ko person wo shire ma ye mo wo mabaso because we say ye entena akonnwadi akonnwa anasa adeshi akonnwa womo kopre enti yenim se bia ye ne amanyoko foforo mfo na bia kopre ena bia obi ye di nkunim anasa sei enti womo ya de ma mo mabaso na yewra Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia on hwe se adese no for now menim say bia after the your friend is saying results no say easy the betu definitely eden ya obesan akasa. I am encouraging him so betimi de respect edi ama wona woni wo mu call akensie no. And again no make sure so be include all of them ewo wo ono akasa na yina say wono na abaye winenti no onka omu nyina mata wono mo ho. Once nyansa ni ba akofo tirim
no crepa
ye ka say to da bia na ye ka say Rabran enkokobo ye Ra Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia chidomo a bia nkebefa ebe kro na nso no ebinum hu ya na say omunya ya nanka ye Ra Kennedy akompre ko Japan wono na bia nka wawene because almost say Dr. Bawumia ne promises are warma ena me de asofo ni bi beko Israel te said de ya na nkramofo ni bi ekọ Mecca ena constituency bia no ananse mpesua so bia no measure se grassroots for no ena ye memma nipa be sedu position bia na se adwuma ne ade no wo se nya no na wo mo pe emaburu ni bi nso kire se Ra Kennedy complex ko Japan woman no dacha sa wo hwe ya bra na yera Kennedy kasa no mabru ni bia no matwa na etwa no ho ahia say ye dacha na say de akwakoto esane ye mu ye dacha asay edi ebenti na ni so ade hu ni tiri mo pa wo se wo ba wo no so bebie enwuma de ama emabuna nya bia ye because unemployment rate no every year bia no ekosoro eti senk wode omu nyina eka no hona se bia wonu maka wonti apam ho ana se bia wo ka wonti dia fam ho a I know said definitely say eniema be de dia mo 2028 kurampo na enye kese bia sa eti won ka wo mu emata ne ho na fenso no oneness make us inclusive no oneness empanyimfo so mo da manyokuo na apart from say candidates ya ye hu wonum ni penum no empanyimfo mo da manyokuo na no so no enhwe se wonum etimi aboama reconciliation etimi a take place ye bra Kennedy kasa no hwe ya enye de wo hwehwe ne se nkase ne beba but anya ba wie etu abaya day
okay ma min corner CCA Dr. Brian Champon so akasa yanko tie di okan
well, I'm not feeling the same way as you.
Well, it's for all of us.
Absolutely.
Yes, it's for all of us.
I'm just looking at my dashboard and it's telling me that you have dealt me a big blow.
Well, that is how elections are,
Yes,
but we all come together and go forward.
Absolutely. I want to take the opportunity to congratulate you and the team for such a wonderful results. I mean, that's politics. It is expected that myself and the team will come on board without hesitation to support the bigger agenda.
Yes, the bigger agenda is more important.
Absolutely. But for now, it's your day. It's your day, so enjoy it. I will see you soon. All right. Bye-bye.
All right, ebusia for ye bese studio bio we Dr. Brian Champon ono wabra ono aye ne collation and ohun say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia win no. It was only fair for him say obe friend na wa congratulate no. Na wa ka kire say on enjoy any day. Once again, let's take a listen to the conversation they both had.
How are you?
Well, I'm not feeling the same way as you.
Well, it's for all of us.
Absolutely.
Yes, it's for all of us.
I'm just looking at my dashboard and it's telling me that you have dealt me a big blow.
Well, that is how elections are,
Yes,
but we
yes.
all come together and go forward.
Absolutely. I want to take the opportunity to congratulate you and the team for such a wonderful results. I mean, that's politics. It is expected that myself and the team will come on board without hesitation to support the bigger agenda.
Yes, the bigger agenda is more important.
Absolutely. But for now, it's your day. It's your day, so enjoy it. I will see you soon. All right. Bye-bye.
All right. We have not had any feel or we've not had any tape, so to speak. Sir Kennedy Japan congratulated Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. But what we have had from Kennedy Japan, Ebusha for Mumayenko Ken, in some more Kaya Wabra and some for a corn in chain and in the Kudin Komo.
Come together as one people. And at an appropriate time, you see how things unfold. Don't worry, God will take care of you. God will take care of you. He knows today was going to come. We didn't know, but God that created us knew. Today will definitely come to pass. We have experienced that in 2023. So today is no different. So I'm begging you, stay calm. There's a lot of food. Go in there, eat. We have champagne, wine, beer. Eat what you can eat. And let's see what tomorrow has for us. Thank you very much. Thank you.
All right. Ebusha for any ashafo amoshe yen no. Say no nkomo ayen sakan wa hasisi ana say electoral commission for say Woman Saka resource in Jinaka Ashanti region. And you know, you're trying Ashanti region for the one day abre a year easy for na ya call a year NPP. One more National Party headquarters for na mania wo from EC no na omo dia den. But you call ahumano so na ye ne oponche wedding komo yeah reporter wo a year party headquarters. I'm talking about the New Patriotic Party headquarters. But Obon me ba so benka. Okay, say then I call so headquarters for.
Medase Abotchie encheye na nana bi ede ebetuja echemu se ye kase die electoral commission enche oba biemu ewo eye NPP atena kase anu se na fe omo the final results declaration no ede aba betuja na omo sanso abo eye party no emo hyehyeye ene omogina si omode babetuja no oma hye na fe oma bie kwan mu e de ato na fe officially no se ne menu nyina ye nim se aba no oma to e de ma Dr. Haji Muhammad Bawumia no electoral commission ebeti supi enti nana bi ene abeta se tie e de ato je chemu se aba no 276 constituencies no most of it aba in most of the regions. They say regional aka Ashanti region. It is a Ashanti region. Coalition in me ekekabom ti bi film na fe omu ne puma tibra. No answer and on beti kani na bom na fe omu de eye ohamu nchichemu ene ni gina pain enyina de ahyehyɛ nipa makomako enum a 2026 no omu ti gina ye se omu nya franka tudre bibrem ewo MPP mu a omu ani je ho nti eno ene otwen mu a make say ye wa no sesi ai wo mu se ebi ba na so ebi no mu kasasa ade asa o paper now the electoral commission ti mi ba na so ebi nsani electoral commission mu dwumadi ti fatie aba no ye tumie entem nti na ko mu tuzu san ko make na hwe aso mu niema bibia ama na possible because we any general election but however no electoral commission no munim kwanya o mo faso a on be hye mo niema se na be ya wo tina nko be bi no results be ba no obi nko gina be bi nkase on jinkin ana so bi nko kase o ma ya den e dia stable bi nti se ni etwen na bi a kire se o mo man be yesima be yaduru ana kasa iris wa no se results e wa Ashanti region etimi to kan nyina bom na ba be pie mu pe Senate bia no on ba be pie mu e headquarters that we say na fi o mo the declaration e dia top so.
All right, and you know, minim said here etie no idea on Kasebu Ashanti region there nim say hosu yi pa anti no am say break akra e wo ho anti no one here and no be check ran sana ababa the ma yenkoso na yentwen yenum nsuo ntwen ope de yenhwe de ebesi na we want to wish you well said the etie no de ekoso bia no ye ba on chen na ababeje amane afri chen oponcheche yeah sepa but see no I think we have all seen the provisional results once provisional results no ye hu ni nyina e wa ha no kama kire se no nwotwe bona wo mo maya yen no ye be pege emu na because he wo kakra
and the other candidates nekra has already congratulated
they have already congratulated
Dr. Bawumia so they are na ye ntino
Apam
provisional in Abotchie
2024 no
yeah
ebia similar
hey MPP lawyer ladies ebium
but ade bi wo ho ade opese enipa nyama no yes ama obi sa wo hwe Dr. Brian Champong ye papa Kennedy ntuma nte ese ono so afre Dr. Bawumia personally
okay that's
sure.
fine
Enti wo hwe enye emulation good one na one more picky and also take it from Dr. Bawumia because 2024 some of the people say it was too early. Say Obabonti be declare as Obeji defeat.
But this one too has been too early.
It's been too early. So nipa na you otie ekomodi an ekoso Dr. Branch and say o share the dashboard animo no. Wa hunu say Dr. Baumia na ono ankasa wa winning no. Or friend no one money tirim kwa. Obviously, how you do us, I'm not good as you are. I say because one na winning and also couldn't be the comma yenina. So it's obi subaka say when too early say the other aspirants no. One more Fred Dr. Baumia.
But wait, this one is clearer. But let's look at this. Infonia edda ye TV so say we congratulations. Every Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe enchen ekwo ama Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. And to no ko here ye TV no so say Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe are congratulating via socials and of course and also yes we trumpet wa ha ama chiefo the ahwefo congratulations Dr. Mahmoud Baumia NPP 2028 dada no Apam Dadaa no yeah but who person okay bibia because enche you be sorry
yes napo message here
yeah
artwork here am too
sure
a hearty congratulations to Dr. Mahmoud Baumia.
Good. Is from who?
Dr. Mahmoud
sure.
Good.
Okay, that's fine. Otrogo on the page.
On his resounding victory in the just concluded president.
But also microphone, my man. All right, so let's take a listen to you.
I say a hearty congratulations to Dr. Mahmoud Baumia on his resounding victory in the just concluded presidential primaries of the New Patriotic Party.
Good.
I am equally grateful to the leadership of the party and all the aspirants who participated in this process for their maturity, discipline, and commitment to ensuring a peaceful and successful election. My sincere appreciation also goes to all New Patriotic Party delegates who embraced our message of hope and renewal and who have entrusted the future of our party to the capable hands of Dr. Mahmoud Baumia.
Sure.
Now is the time for unity. Let us come together as one party, firmly united behind the elephant and Dr. Mahmoud Baumia as we rebuild, reposition, and prepare the New Patriotic Party for Victory 2028. Hashtag Win with Baumia, hashtag NPP, hashtag Party Unity.
All right.
That's
yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. You know, Apam Dadaa. Oh, Apam Dadaa ti. Nyabotre yebeko waseme twato.
Okay. Yo, maseme twetye so no it is kwaku kon.
Sure.
Tie.
Me da say.
Yeah, the nyame ase. Na ye bo abambofo no so abaso.
Sure. O ma ya de.
O ma boban yi.
Tete yo ho no.
Nokre.
Wa boy djuma.
Isin so aya de pa. Akaka krebi. No wa ya de yi. Nti wonyo ne ntentem. Ewo mu se wo modi kan e de congratulatory messages no kode.
Yeah.
Na ne aka ekira ye hwe ne se isi be ye no wa declare but provisionally.
Yeah.
Adaji na arene.
Sure.
Na isi ebe confirm ya na fe ya hwe margin difference na futu a wode beta ato. Enti di aka ekire no ye messages no. Ya boy ye wura na po edin ye no san wo tworo.
Sure.
Wanti wa tworo de atum.
Good.
Enti wo ma tworo no wo ma entworoye no ne wo mo kasa no so nye pepepe.
Yeah, that's it.
Esan say message no wo tworo a ya na e de sense obekan. Okay,
yeah, Udim. Every that joke for God and country, you better not say.
Okay. No correct.
Abotchie metanase. Oh, you better I say. You be room. And come on, beer was ye different beer and ye be.
Okay. No correct.
Maybe I no crash beer
so be. Nan sesa aka beer so. So mo de koko.
Ebeba. Oheneyere.
De ma se fa kono ni nyina na ade ko yi.
Yesi nkuntabu ho.
No correct.
Sike bia fa baby.
Eh.
Eye fesi.
Say ya ba mu kura government accountability series.
Na ejaro what do you say?
Fie.
Oh, kakrebi.
Yo, me that's it. Me yen fancy wa. I say oba na ehwe nti no. Oheneyere ko, what's the major to?
Yeah, now that the internal elections is over,
sure,
it's up to the political party MPP to come together. Now one enshema bibia intimi na ko.
Sure.
Kokoba de deba omunyina ye krobo forma.
Sure.
Ni nyina akwa awieye. Afa wo mo nwene na wo focus on wo mo major aim a eda wo no mani so mbetimi asage 2 minutes back in 2028 senia wonom so any da kwan no now without oneness without that unity and as mutual respect collective when now and as collective focus na wombenya so mo anya sa na na it will be very very difficult for them say impo the NDC figures wombenya e 2028 and half impo omubenya ntino
mame now I say Obrempong nana yeah sorry so that asembe na oka
Prof, yeah, sorry, so no, you better tear for me, we are singing us. Media, as usual, there be a morning na hona, here na acquire something. And here na Ghana for one more tea and cano. Na I was say, me da masi.
That's it.
Sans a nyawa mwa, kasompanya.
Sure.
We are singing now, so sure. But before then, no, Ebia. May sorry no. Yeah, sign refreshing it here for the figures I boss on the diet.
All right, it's on the page, and you know,
I don't be here radio no.
Me patch up, until you know quick why.
Yes. Yeah, figures are your project no. Kennedy a compare kwa Japan 40,818 representing 23.54%. 438 representing 56.18%. Dr. Yao Osei Educhum, 1,674, representing 1.08%. Engineer Kwabeneji Japan, 321, representing 0.22%. Weni ye coalition.
Election house. Sompa. Sure.
Na nyamia domwa. Sene wedi kan Monday ede krono. Otna sia. Otna wa pakan no.
It's not packing.
Yeah, can be a obey your adwuma.
Pin beer at all from beer.
Once and one as Bruni Bawan Tadi.
Pin it off from ground.
But I was some panels. Very well. Entino, yeah, Quino. Nyamia do my free channel consuno. Sanadria crown electoral commission start here. Definitely. You better sign the show.
Say, open so tea the Kosu or Ghana. Nkomo a efa Ghana economy ho